Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
In Munchi have an outing here, but down.
To the flipping world.
People, I ask Mila what she cook. She says salad with strawberry.
People, let's go.
Get right.
People, I ask Mila what she cook. No, Shanae, you're early. Me just start. I ask Mila what she cook. She says salad with strawberry. Anything can go, so.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Up in the thing, up in the thing, up in the thing.
I mix up and blend that time.
Craigton, me love how you come in and you show respect to the woman them. We big up that, we rate that, alright? But Craigton, you're SDC, you know, Craigton. Me a SDC, you a SDC, other SDC people coming. And you come in here, and the first person me see a Ela and Tasha. Eh? The first person here is a ANC woman, Antasha Craigton. What you? Craigton know what's good for him. Craigton, you see all them liberty there, no? You see what Munchie say and them sitting there? You see what Antasha hype right here now and sitting? Eh? Do it yourself with more. More, you name that, do it yourself with more, eh? Then more, if you do it yourself, or we are do it with you, then are you waiting up to do it with you then? Eh, more? Watch ya? Sassy. Well then, Sassy to right. No, Sassy, you go and people follow her. You see that person that do it yourself with more, follow her. Sassy, you go and good, you know. Sassy, how you learn them something that if you do them, people, Sassy can do any form of remodeling in her house and thing. She can show you how to do it and thing. People don't need to check her out. People like that, Sassy like that, oh, you learn it in the army. Oh, okay. Oh. Sassy was in the army for like, 6-7 years, that's what Sassy, or 8 years or whatever, you know? People, you don't even like know I'm proud of Sassy, you know, man, right? You don't even like know I'm see that DIY with more. More is the first 2 letters of our first name. So I mean, 8 years she doing United States military. People, there's things where I can't do, right? But I actually gadgety and can fix something, you know. Like me think out something, enjoy. It's like a guy thing. We like to make, man love to fix things and make things and whatever. It's a thing, right? But, you see, when it come to car and all them something there, I can't change all of them, but you know, man into them something, me not into them thing, right? My brethren, imposter Rasta, them man they love car, them man they, and when car no need nothing for fix, imposter Rasta can pull on the car and fix it up back and whatever and thing like that, right? Enough of my friend them stay some. Me no stay some, he's a book guy, right? Me love read and thing and this, yeah, I'm a book guy, I'm admit it, all right, cool. But I actually love fix things and them sitting there, you know. Like, me love do things around the house. Me love do them man something, you know. Me love, like, if that foot ya come up, me love walk, go down at Home Depot and ask question and say, oh, you do this, which screw, you know. Me love them something there. But people see how they do DIY with more. First of all, before me telling them, me I go just go in an image of Sassy, right? Years ago, you know, when me a juggle at Jamaica, we are talking about 2000, must it 6, 7, 3, 4, 5 and thing. At them time, never know Sassy, you know. And Sassy was one little girl we could have danced, you know, man. Right? When Sassy, you know, Jamaican woman hold them dress, if you not expose themselves and whine and go down and keep them back straight. No found a woman can do it, no can't do it. Sure. Right. And Tasha can do it. I just know some woman, Hershey Pie can do it, Shanae can do it, Christina, Java can do it. Java can do it. Java can do it. Java. But you know that's something when Jamaican woman hold them squirrel and whine and go down and keep them back up straight and go on with this. Sassy bad for them something there, you know. All right. And then, you know, some other thing we're not phone of business. You know, no need to know that. But Sassy go through it, you know. But right through, you know. Sassy always, you know, Sassy out there look good and whatever. Always have ambition, man. Hope you take and thing and, you know, that stick to it something there. Like, start something and stick to it and whatever. People, enough woman me help, you know. Enough woman come tell me about them want to do this and that and whatever, Jamaica, you know. People when me there Jamaica and I make millions upon millions and millions. You know how much woman me give money and tell them so me no want and me not give one a front for you, know. So nobody believe say, yeah, this me or nothing. Me no want a front from you. Right? My mother tell me say, whenever you go somewhere good, if you can carry somebody with you, carry them with you. And because of that, when me go to Jamaica, I think, I start and read and the money around, the money never. When I say millions upon millions, you know, man, you know, I turn frightened. I say, I help people. I mean, help a whole heap of woman and thing and whatever. And some of them do them thing and enough of them not come true. You know, this and that, them just never focus or whatever, you know, enough of them. So you see somebody like Sassy, you know. Sassy, he love, you know, young people something, you know. So Sassy love, you know, and anyway, TamFam the Sassy there, you know, people. Anyway, TamFam the Sassy there, you know. When I say full support, you know, People, and when I say anyway, right? Like I have my Tambourine family event, them and thing and whatever. But anyway, me go as an individual, Sassy there support me, you know. You know, when me know say Sassy keep it 100 and whatever, you have certain event where me not too loud up, you know, me just make people know say me I go, but me know they can't manage them. And some of them are when me host events at Go-Go Club. Go-Go Clubs, right? I have one Go-Go Club out at Negril. Then go on with the something them in there. When I say go on with the something them, I mean go on with the something them. On stage. Yeah. Yeah. Everything. So you know I say, me get one event now for go host one of them event there. And one club named Scrubber Dub. And you know, from long time, you know, enough elderly people a ragga them say, you know, and you know, man raised with respect and all them something they so. You know, say that's enough for them. Outside of that, no, most people in our TamFam, them nah going on a go-go club or watch people that do certain things, man. But remember, you know, scrub out up there, we are nigga, you know. So you know, so I go there now and I vote. Because when I go them something, you know, TamFam them not dead for obvious reason. The sex pan stage type of thing, you know. So when I reach that thing and whatever, when me in the parking lot, the Sassy that me see with her then boyfriend and Jennifer Goodaz. Jennifer Goodaz big. Me say, Sassy, what you do ya? Sassy say, Raga, I want me to you. Them did have the term follow back. You don't think it mean anything to do with being, you know, pathetically submissive. And you know, Jamaican just have this thing and say if them rate somebody, we are follow back at you. So Sassy, I want me to you, I follow back at you, and I want me to you. And thing I want to, and it looked like her boyfriend at the time, like him never did one go. And Sassy bad him up, you know. And say, what you do? We're going to support Raga. And it the far, you know, because I say Kingston, Sassy did, and Sassy live most around Spanish Town side or something. And Sassy tell him, say, no man, I forgot man, we have to support Raga, man. And it look like she give Jennifer good as a ride and whatever and thing like that. I remember that night them I said, John, no, you know, I have to give thanks to them people that were loyal to the thing. And from them time they come right through, man, I tell you our business, you know. good things to and life happen and ups and downs and whatever, man. And Sassy whole it and come through. And Sassy drop up in the place, all kind of things. All kind of things reach Sassy when she drop up in a place, right? Again, you don't need to know, but just know the thing straight out and thing. And girl, now we is foreign. You hear what Raga say? Nobody come in at this and waste this. Right? You may do all some things and it not work and you have to pivot and move to something else and thing and whatever you learn from what you do. I saw the thing set, you understand? And Sassy just at it. Until you know Sassy goes a boom and drop in the military. Right? Shut off 8 years in the military. People, you know, say this little girl here, Sassy. It's like she can't fix anything or make anything or remodel anything or just reconfigure. And when she do it, you know, people, you ever see some people do some work and you just know, say, like pride and care put in it and like a slap dash, sitting and whatever. When Sassy do us remodel kitchen, remodel bathroom, remodel this and that and whatever, people, it look good, it just look classy and nice, you know. And Sassy could have dressed a long time, you know. Yeah, man, Sassy, you know, for dress a long time, right? You know, and I like Munchie or Christina, who I just what they then start wear good clothes, you know. Sassy know for dress a long time. You see what I say? People, when I say this little girl that can remodel and do, check out Sassy, what your page name on Instagram? Well, Jede says she see her post them. What your page name on Instagram, Sassy? Man, I want to see what. Lennox Jacobs, a good night from Paris. Big up yourself. Well, I'm not see what's that. But people, me just Munchie, no man, Sassy, in a pan. She have a regular IG page, you know, but she have a page where it say DIY with more. Do it yourself with more, right? I want to follow her on a page, man. Oh, and on Instagram, she named Sassy DIY Lifestyle. Okay. All right, people, see her there in her Instagram right now, and it named DIY with more, right? Uppercase letters DIY with more. All I want to more everybody follow her right now. Man, say good as Ragashanti follow back here like come follow back a Louis. See him so down, right? All I want to follow me little sister right here now, you know. DIY with more. People who not just tag her and put it on down the name so people see where them for follow. Well, I want to follow her right here now. She know what she do. Me want to follow her, but when I go over there, watch what she do because she make a video them and show you right through what she do. You know, she do the plumbing part, they take down the wall, and she dirty up and thing and sitting and she show you how to do. Me love when woman can do them something that too, you understand? Me love when woman can do them something that too, you understand? And she obviously enjoy it. Learn it in the military and all these things and whatever and so forth and thing. My proud of her, you see. I don't even know I'm proud of her. I'm just proud of her and happy for her, you know. And you know them people when they do something, you can say them enjoy it for real and not put on. First of all, which young woman, you know, Sassy are good as, you know, when Sassy do her thing and whatever, you know, boy mouth, what a fear, you know, right? So which woman who can go out there and be a 24/7 hot girl, but pick up this thing and don't figure out remodel house and show you how to do it? Any woman do that by choice, she must enjoy it. Any woman do that. You have certain things when woman do it by choice, you know, say some sort of appeal there for them. When they say a woman all drive tractor trailer, right? Chokisha, she drive truck and whatever. There have to be something there where some sort of freedom Chokisha experience when she dip on the road and I drive truck. It have to be something there where she enjoy. You see what I say? All right? Ever Rita says she do fear kitchen floor. See, the Sassy says she love it. The whole I want to the follow her. I want to follow her. And Christina, if you remind me, if you tell people for follow her when me over here, you know. How far me and Sassy I come from, you know. How far me and Sassy I come from, you know. Me real charge, you know. Me real G, you know. Me I tell you, you know. Right? And for somebody who go through it, you know. Right? Yeah. And for Sassy come and join the military and have up our gun and all these things. It's sweet, man. People Sassy I come from Mixup and Blenda National Arena one time. The dwarf lady, they did run, come up and I go on like she bad like me. I'm a whole around deal. I'm them time then, you know. Calling click on them people and know about them shit there, you know. Right? So I want the whole I want to follow Sassy right, you know. Yeah. People, before we take any call and thing, just real quickly, people, when will it stop? When will it stop? We're going to find something else now. When will it stop, people? When will it stop? When it going to stop? Would they find something? People, when it going to stop? When it going to stop? Jamaican people, when it going to stop? Right? The persecution. When the persecution are going to stop? Somebody tell me when it are going to stop. About time now it stop. The lies, the defamation, the wickedness, the cruelty. Right? Jamaican people will go through so many things from way back when our ancestors come over, then bring over Jamaica, all kind of thing reach and whatever, and we'll come and hold it up till this day and up till this day. A fight where I get and thing and the lies them and all these things and whatever. When it a go stop? When it a go stop? Right? Now this thing a come on and thing whatever. People, Jamaican woman get beaten for enough things where them not guilty. Enough things where them not guilty. By just being Jamaican, them get beaten for that and whatever. You understand what I say? Jamaican men too get enough beaten for things where them not guilty of. Enough things where not. It's just that people just go around and just have this inclination, this obsessive, compelling urge. You know, if you just talk bad about it all the time and all them something that when it a go stop? When?
I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise. She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the brews cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubting my mind, she wanted the stabbing. But she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese, but I'm not no rat. And I love kitty, but not like that. So I said, lady, let me tell you this fact. I'm a Jamaican man and we don't do that. She said, that's the biggest lie told in her face. All Jamaican men she met get below the waist. Somebody's
You see all them something I know. You see all them sitting here now. You see all them something I know. And that me I tell you, you know, the sheer persecute. Sure.
Every American woman that has been with Jamaican men claim those men have eaten below the waist.
Lies.
Yet every Jamaican man claims they have never eaten below the waist.
No, we don't do it.
Somebody's lying.
Somebody
This is my true story. I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise.
I want me know.
She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the brews cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubting my mind, she wanted the stabbing. But she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese, but I'm not no rat. And I love kitty, but not like that. So I said, lady, let me tell you this fact. I'm a Jamaican man and we don't do that. She said, that's the biggest lie told in her face.
Somebody a tell lies. Somebody a tell
All
lies.
Jamaican men she met get below the waist. Somebody's lying. I don't know who.
Somebody a tell lie. Who a tell lie?
I mix up and blend that time.
Somebody a tell lie. Why them a tell lie on the Jamaican man? Them need to stop it. Them need to stop tell lie for we know. Them need to stop tell lie. It's what tell lie. Are the Jamaican man them a tell lie? Are the American woman them a tell lie? Somebody a tell lie. Somebody a tell lie upon them. Listen to me. Run it again.
Every American woman that has been with Jamaican men claim those men have eaten below the waist.
Jesus.
Yet every Jamaican man claims they have never eaten below the waist.
Never.
Somebody's lying. This is my true story. I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise.
What you know?
She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the booze cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubt in my mind she wanted the stabbing, but she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese, but I'm not no rat. And I love kitty, but not like that. So I said, lady, let me tell you this fact. I'm a Jamaican man and we don't do that. She said, that's the biggest lie told in her face. All Jamaican men she met ate below the waist. Somebody's lying, I don't know who. Tell me Jamaican men, could it be you? Somebody's lying, I don't know who. American women, it must be you. Met a New York shorty down in Miami Beach. Said she love yard vibes and the way we speak. She used to date a reggae artist from Spanish Town. He always went below, he never turned her down. And if you're wondering who could it be, he had a big hit song in 2023. He even clashed.
No.
I mix up and blend that time.
Which reggae artist a big hit song in 2023? No, we need to investigate that one there. Who that? Who that? No, it's who that? We up in there mix up here now. No, sir. No, sir. This is an investigation. No, change it. This is not an investigation. It's a tongstigation.
Listen, man.
No. Which reggae artist out there have the biggest in 2023 who is so tongue-tastic? Listen, but we hear the mix.
It must be you. Met a New York shorty down in Miami Beach. Said she love yard vibes and the way we speak. She used to date a reggae artist from Spanish Town. He always went below, he never turned her down. And if you're wondering who could it be, he had a big hit song in 2023. He even clashed so-and-so over so-and-so street.
He have a big hit song in 2023 and in clash so-and-so over so-and-so. Reggae artists, big reggae artists on Spanish Town. Big hit song in 2023. So if you have a big hit song in 2023, it's not an artist who have whole heap of it all the time. Him just have it that year there. And him the clash so-and-so over so-and-so. TamFam stigators. Want to get busy, you know. Hey, TamFam stigators. Investigate that one. No, sir. I want.
Down in Miami Beach, said she love yard vibes and the way we speak. She used to date a reggae artist from Spanish Town. He always went below, he never turned her down. And if you're wondering who could it be, he had a big hit song in 2023. He even clashed so-and-so over so-and-so. Straight bad boy artist, but regular him bow. She said every Jamaican she...
Straight bad boy artist, but a regular him bow. Oh my God. Like, that is really happening. you have men out there who say that they don't do it and they do it. That's actually happening, right? Are you telling me that some of these artists out there, these well-known artists, who burn out this and that publicly, you telling me that they do it? Like for real? Like that ass? Like, wow. I'm shocked. Yo, Mr. Artist, I have the big hit in 2023. Who class so and so over so and so? Come to the front of the class. Come to the front of your class. Come to the front of your class. Your tongue upon trial.
He had a big hit song in 2023. He even clashed so and so over so and so. Straight bad boy artist, but regular him bow. She said every Jamaican she ever embraced. Start up top and head south of the way.
Every Jamaican she ever embraced, start attack and head south of the waist. Wow.
Somebody's lying. I don't know who.
Yo, Chumpy, why allow me?
Could it be you?
Could it be? But I like that line there about could it be you? Why am I put that line there in it? You know? Because when you listen to the song, you always have to answer the question, you know? Could it be you, you know? Him don't even like just make it like this random third person thing, you know like the Jamaican. Another man them when one them not bow, put up on one and say, yeah. So it's just a general broad thing. Him have to have this line, could it be you? Are you one of them who I tell lie to? So you always end up like you feel compelled like you have an answer. Alright, me need to take out that line out of the song, you know. But of course, if you know you never do it, the line not gonna bother you. Like me, okay, Raga with the innocent mouth. Hello. All of the man them know sound the mouth innocent. Step out. See me up in the front of the line. If you tell people say you don't do a certain thing, it's probably not a good idea to be celebrating by going. No, that's not a good idea. That's not a good idea. No, I'm going to lose this for a while ago. No, you can't tell people saying that this, oh, I don't do it. I don't do it. I know some I don't do it. No. Note to self. Wrong move. No, again. Okay, what's right?
Every American woman that has been with Jamaican men claimed.
You know, this song, every American woman has been with a Jamaican man. Him never see Jamaican woman.
Those men have eaten below the waist. Yet every Jamaican man claims they have never eaten below the waist. Somebody's lying. This is my true story. I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise. She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the booze cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubt in my mind she wanted the stabbing, but she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese, but I'm not no rat. And I love kitty, but not like that. So I said, lady, let me tell you this fact. I'm a Jamaican man and we don't do that. She said, that's the biggest lie told in her face. All Jamaican men she met get below the waist. Somebody's lying. I don't know who. Tell me Jamaican men, could it be you? Somebody's lying. I don't know who. American women, it must be you. Met a New York shorty down in Miami.
The song is supposedly called the Jamaican Liar, something like that. And then the artist is called Raskaya, right? I'm gonna be honest, for those of you who don't know, there's a lot of different ways to make songs now, and with AI but Me like it for the entertainment part, right, obviously. But again, it's I think it's called Jamaican Liar, and the artist's name is Raskaya.
Ooh, somebody's lying. I don't know who. American women, it must be you. I met a Georgia peach down in the ATL. Face pretty like money and the body build well. She wants to take me home so I could lick her down. I almost get a big stone and lick her down.
Hey, whenever I hear some Jamaican, them attack patois, but in a fit them mind, them a switch to standard English, but them not switch to standard English, you know, but in a fit them mind, them think them switch to standard English, you know. And what they really end up doing is speaking patois with a different accent. But in a fit them mind, you know, it gone over in a standard English. Right? So then I say, yo, I'ma go over there, you know. I'ma see the boy. I'ma just say to the boy, hey, Mr. Sir, where you did think you did go? Right? Because you know what me have to talk for him understand. So I say, hey, Mr. Sir, where you did think you will go? So me have to switch in them language. You see what me I say? Right? So that me say to the boy, because me want to make sure him understand, you know. So I switch out and I patois. And me say, hey, Mr. Sir, where you did think you will go? Right? You know, right through the song, man, in my dream thing, you know, but it's a kind of English thing, you know. And then when she tell him, say, yo, you need to come get busy, get low and get busy, you know. Me nail a lick her down with a big stone. Bad it. Well, the part they nice, wait.
Don't know who. American women, it must be you. I met a Georgia peach down in the ATL. Face pretty like money and the body build well. She wants to take me home so I could lick her down. I almost get a big stone and lick her down.
This is interesting. There's a language games right there too. She wanted to take me home for me to lick her down. So me get a big stone and almost lick her down. Him sleep there, so you know. Yeah, man, him sleep there, so man. Now, we know in our language, you know, we lick you down, you know, common term for me, so we slap you down with a big stone or box you down or whatever. We will lick you down. But if you are sing one song, and you said, the woman said, me want to take you home for you lick me down. You say that him just saying a song, you know, that the woman said, me want to take you home for you lick me down. And then you know a claim saying your defense now. You take a big stone and you almost lick her down. You leave room for people, you know, say, oh, but well, what that mean? You grab the big stone and then you change your mind and then you almost give her a little lickings down. Him left room for that. No, me not think him should have used back the line the right there, so him should have used back. You know, we will analyze it to crap out our song, you know, right? For entertainment purpose. But me not think him should have said that and say she want to take me home for me lick her down, you know? She violate. So me grab a big stone and sure. Yeah, and then me did almost lick her down, you know? Him should leave room right this thing. Them about time this up. But we know what I mean by Jamaican standards though. So we just want people to know this thing need to stop. Right? This thing I wanna grow and I tell lie on Jamaican men and whatever. Stop picking on us. Stop picking on us. So they know so we don't do it. Right? Stop tell lie on we. Right? I think Jamaican men need to form like a collective and just like, you know, advance a class action suit. Yeah, a class action suit against these people out there defaming us. Defaming us. You see, that's why I like Dr. Mac, you know. Right through, you know, see, Dr. Mac, I said them don't do it. The Jamaican man, them don't do it. That's why we love Dr. Mac, you know. Okay. You know, Dr. Man said them don't do it. The Jamaican man, them, hey, Dr. Man, big up yourself, you know. Okay, because Dr. Man knows say we don't do it. I want what son here come about, what you come here about, what son here, what? Balance your thing, son here. Balance your thing, man. Right? When will it stop? It need to stop.
American women, it must be you. I met a Georgia Beach, down in the ATL. Face pretty like money and the body build well. She wants to take me home so I could lick her down. I almost get a big stone and lick her down. I said, Jamaican men don't play those games. She said, oh boy, you got to stop playing. She said she once stayed in Ocho Rios, where a Jamaican man eat time for Ocho Dias.
What she said? She wants to stay Ocho Rios when a Jamaican man eat her for what? Me not get that part. What? Somebody tell me what she said this, and I can't make out that part. Me get, she said she go Ocho Rios and a Jamaican man eat her for what?
I said Jamaican men don't play those games. She said, oh boy, you got to stop playing. She said she once stayed in Ocho Rios, where a Jamaican man eat time for Ocho Dias.
What me say this, sir? Eat her for Ocho Dias? Wait, man, so Ocho... Eat her for Ocho Dias? What? Like days in Spanish? Eat her for 8 days? Tal, you da must get it, eh? Tal? Yeah, man, you da must lock in and figure it out quick, eh? What? Bomban. 8 days of eating she get done. And then at Ocho Rios, I eat her for Ocho Dias. Yeah. 8 days of eating that, you know. Yo, 8 days of eating that, you know. I want stamina mouth that, you know. Yo, that tongue there, I want, yeah. Long distance tongue that, you know. Yeah, man, 8 days of eating, you can imagine that. Bombard star. What are we gonna figure it out? You know, for me, I list it and couldn't pick up where I say, eh?
She said, oh boy, you got to stop playing. She said she once stayed in Ocho Rios, where a Jamaican man eat time for Ocho Dias. And he cried like a baby when she said adios. He's gonna miss and eating the kitty cause it's so delicious. I said it must have been an Haitian, cause it's not one of us.
You know, say mix-up. When she say adios at the dog, miss it or whatever, thing like that, I just say that Jamaica. And then I hear when chewing right now, him say it must have been an Asian. It must have been an Asian. I can't be one of them.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Yo, that man, him say, no. You confuse the Caribbean man. Them. I remember say, if I have a whole heap of Asian and come over in a Jamaica, you understand? So you say, na Asian, they are Ocho Rios will eat you for Ocho Dias and thing. It must have been an Asian, it can't be a Jamaican. It's not one of us. You're getting it wrong, boo. Enough people out there speak patois convincing they come over like Jamaican and I give a bad name. Right? And I give the Jamaican man them bad name. Me no know any Jamaican man 8 days straight of eating and thing like that. Your jaw kinda must like Jesus.
A Jamaican man eat time for Ocho Dias. And he cried like a baby when she said adios. He's gonna miss and eating the kitty cause it's so delicious. I said it must have been an Haitian, cause it's not one of us. No, somebody's lying.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Listen me.
Somebody I tell lie, man. Watch your right.
Every American woman that has been with Jamaican men claim those men have eaten below the waist.
Liars.
Yet every Jamaican man claims they have never eaten below the waist. Somebody's lying.
Somebody
This is
tell
my
lie.
true story. I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise. She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the brews cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubt in my mind she wanted the stabbing, but she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese.
Well, sorry. May I make it play out for you hear it right through, but even if a man do certain things, right? If a man do that, right? And he might juggle with a woman the first time. And when he get in a room and whatever, you know, she burn up, the first thing just run out of fear mountain. Get on your knees and come nibble up this like a rat pan cheese. Like he would have still do it. Well, I know, if a woman, you can't imagine a woman does a come in. Wait, sorry. Right? Oh, yeah. You can't imagine a woman that come at you with them way there with like one bag of badness back at it and thing and body up and bad up your tongue them way there, whatever. Even if you do them something and as soon as you step in a room and you go so your position and things, she say, we are do. Get on your knees and come nibble this kitty like a rat pan of cheese. What you do, my youth? Get busy. Get tongue busy. Right? Like you would still do it. How you talk to sir? You're mad, man. But don't do it. And leave right away. No, a woman a style of them here the first time and thing. She go low. I'm just saying. Hypothetically. Okay?
Every American woman that has been with Jamaican men claim those men have eaten below the waist. Yet every Jamaican man claims they have never eaten below the waist.
Never.
Somebody's lying. This is my true story. I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise. She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the brews cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubt in my mind she wanted the stabbing, but she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese, but I'm not no rat. And I love kitty, but not like that. So I said, lady, let me tell you this fact. I'm a Jamaican man and we don't do that. She said, that's the biggest lie told in her face. All Jamaican men she met get below the waist. Somebody's lying, I don't know who. Tell me Jamaican men, could it be you? Somebody's lying, I don't know who. American women, it must be you. Met a New York shorty down in Miami Beach. Said she love yard vibes and the way we speak. She used to date a reggae artist from Spanish Town. He always went below, he never turned her down. And if you're wondering who could it be, he had a big hit song in 2023. He even clashed so-and-so over so-and-so. Straight bad boy artist but regular him bow. She said every Jamaican she ever embraced start up top and head south of the waist. Somebody's lying, I don't know who. Tell me Jamaican man, could it be you? Somebody's lying, I don't know who. American women,
The American woman,
it must be
The American woman,
I met a Georgia Beach down in the ATL. Face pretty like money and the body build well. She wants to take me home so I could lick her down. I almost get a big stone and lick her down. I said Jamaican men don't play those games. She said, oh boy, you gotta stop playing. She said she wants to stay in Ocho Rios, where a Jamaican man eat time for Ocho Dias. Man, he cried like a baby when she said adios. He's gonna miss and eating the kitty cause it's so delicious. I said it must have been an Haitian, cause it's not
one of us.
Somebody lie. Don't know who. Tell me, Jamaican man, could it be you? Somebody lie. Don't know who. American women, it must be you.
It must be the American woman in my life. Some of us want the American woman according to the Sabbath want the American woman them for stop tell lie pan we. Stop tell lie pan we because the anomaly, the first egregious defamation in this song, it's the very thought that Jamaican men even tell lie. Everybody know that Jamaican men don't lie. Jamaican men don't lie. Jamaican men don't tell lie. Jamaican men don't cheat and they don't tell lie. Trumpet, do Jamaican men cheat and tell lie? Yes or no? All right, now make Chumpy and Chumpy, Jamaican men cheat and tell lie? Yes or no? Hey Chumpy, let me see what Chumpy say. Let me see what Chumpy say. Cause that's the first like insult. That's the first like, you know, inaccuracy. Right? Jamaican men don't cheat and we don't tell lie. So from right this Chumpy say, what that? Yeah, my general say, what that? But even that bring up one thing. That's like saying Jamaican men tell lie and cheat is like saying the sun rises in the west. No, it doesn't. Okay? Right? We have to fix up on a thing, man. So them American woman who are grown and I tell lie pan I need to stop it, yo. Stop it, man. And big up Mello who are bossy tune them, you know. Big up Mello who are bossy tune them. And people want to tell Mello say, well, you give me real things. You see it? Hello?
Big up Raga every time, you know. Raga, what go on?
Wait, well, I'm going to turn up this.
Blessings, you know.
Hello?
What go on, Raga?
Hello?
Yeah, you hear me?
Hello?
Hello? Good night. Raga, what go on?
A person you talk, I mean, I hear them, you know.
Hold on there.
You not hear him? Hold on. Oh, you not hear him? All right, no worry, I know what go on. Just stay one there, you know, don't move. You know the drill with this sitting there. Don't move, you not hear me, never hear him. Don't move, you know. No stand more there. You not go lock off, I just something I have to do, you know. Now worry yourself, man, I move me forward, don't worry.
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Raga, you hear me? Blessings in everybody, you know it go already, you know. One Raga pan it up, you know. Could do two, you know. Yeah, man. Young people, so now hear me? I want to Raga, man, you know. Raga, big up yourself, you know. But I really think still in a Jamaican man.
No, hold on, may I come there. All right, check. Talk again.
Mic check. Yeah, what go on, my boss?
No,
Blessings,
hold on. Your audio come outside of the. Me no know. Don't move. Something.
May I hear him good, man?
Check. Okay, I think you come over now. Yeah. Talk again.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you now. All right, then, cool. Yeah, so we are some general. Talk
Enough
to them.
greetings and honor and my boss again, once again. You see me?
Yeah.
It's a blessing to see up on the app right now. Me not lie, I entertain me.
You see it?
Me not lie. That song there, me I give it a 10 out of 10.
Yes.
Believe
Why? Talk
Why?
to them. Yeah.
Because the man go on, the man never did I expect that Raga.
Yeah.
You know, see, and then the woman just come tell him, say, yo, Get down and do this and do that. You
No,
see
no,
me?
she said, get on your knees and come nibble
Yeah,
this
there, yeah,
coochie
there.
like a rat
Yeah,
and
there.
yam cheese. Yes, you're so
man-
bright. You
Me
know,
I tell
you're
you,
so
that
bright.
the man do last that trip, like I say, yo,
Yeah, violate. Oh, she could have so confident come and chat to that. You can imagine she did like sweet and nice before, and then when she go in there, she just start flip on up. Get
I
on
tell
your
you.
knees and come nibble this kitty like a rat on a
Yo,
cheese.
Jaja.
Get busy, bitch.
I tell you. Yo, the artist there, a good artist. Me not like him,
Yeah.
him creative. Me
No,
not
but you
see
have some,
no
when
music like that now,
my
like
general, you have some woman stay, so you know, you have a woman over here, and she named Cookie Man Stress. I saw she stay.
Yeah.
If you see her in the chat, at them style, like, you have to go stand up like a general with her and say, where you do? Go from
Wait,
here
so
with them.
she
So,
stay?
I saw she stay Cookie Man Stress. At them
No,
some
man.
the Cookie Man Stress go on.
Man.
Let me tell you, see, she,
Man stress. Yeah.
yeah, she there in the chat, man. She named Cookie Man Stress. She one of them woman there. If you're there on her and she a feature you, don't quint.
Is it don't quit? I love
Don't quint. No, don't quint
quit.
your eye. Don't quint your eye. Don't quint your eye.
Don't quit.
You see the fraction of a second where you go quint and whatever, before you know it, she could all just you could all the whole of the sitting could all go so boom and drop in your face and whatever.
No,
That's such
sir.
a dangerous.
I
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, such a dangerous. No, don't quint,
Yo.
don't quint, don't quint,
man,
don't drop your
The
guard
man
and
them in
thing.
I comment. So me hear that, my
No, you
boss.
see when you're there on Cookie Man Stress, and you know, she one of them woman there, you know, like you talk and I say, you know, do it, you know, them woman that would just clutch and I watch you and I say, I'm going to get you for do it, you can go and talk here. And you say, you go some, you see, if you go quint, I go do it slow motion like me in a Matrix, right? So I go quint and whatever, so like my eye comes so now. Remember, you know, when you quint quick, you know. But with Cookie Man Stress, you see, me I do it slow now for just for emphasis, and you go so. You see, by your eye, open up back, and the whole, you know,
Jaja good.
the whole light in your face. The whole light in your face. Yeah, before you know it, you're under a proper punny facial.
Where you
Yes,
have to
and-
put it into matches stick in the eye.
So you know, Queen Drona, and the dangerous.
Jaja got it.
Yeah, no, what,
But
but
Raga-
you're serious. You know, say, I have some woman out there, so them stay do, you know, them love when man say them nah do it, you know. Can them just love the challenge for saying, I'm gonna get him for do it, man. Watch and see.
Jaja.
Yeah, you have to, no, me just I
No,
tell you
them
as an
people
elder.
out there, man.
Yeah,
All
as an
sorts of
elder.
people out there, man.
Yeah, as an elder, me I tell you, you have to look out for them, you know, careful, cause them sneaking.
I look
Yeah.
at things, I'm a married man right now, Raga, so I'm not gonna reach myself.
Oh.
Isn't it?
I was saying, and when I say Raga, check you. No sound, Raga.
YouTube sound.
Oh, we at the one hand. Check. Oh. All right. On a year now, me just no man, I'm not supposed to a year now. Hold on, check. Me just want 1 second here, me just want confirm
Yeah,
to
man.
them, man. Back up, okay. Okay. Yeah, the thing I did chip out over here. So you see, through me I do the multi-platform thing, you have to keep tabs
Yeah,
on
yeah.
them, you know. And thing. Yes, my general. So yes, sir, you rate the tune, right?
Where you say, man, a big tune that man, Raga, man.
See it there.
Yeah,
See it there.
expect for your goodness for that tune there, Raga.
Yes. Because what it's doing, it's also seeking justice, you know. And it's you can see that there's a degree of advocacy here, right? For the oppression where the Jamaican man I go through, you know, with these
True.
American women I tell lie on the Jamaican.
That's
man.
why you did that, so when it a go stop, Raga, no, me know.
When it a go stop.
Because me did there wonder why Raga talk about them, you know. They will get hear that the song, they will say, no, man, this song. Yo.
No, what's up when me tell you say you have no people no true them and listen to me for years or whatever. I don't know how them do it, you know. But them know when because sometimes I come with something serious with you, you know. But I don't know how them do it, you know. Them just know when I come with some free green and they care about it.
From them over the live, they know it's
No, man, I'm not. Yeah, where am I come with?
Yeah, man, where am I come with now?
Yeah, where
Curious.
am I forward with the back and forward with some arms house right here? Know him, that zone there. You see me? I say, them just know, man. We give thanks. I entertain, we entertain, you know, we're there for make people laugh, take away
That's
them
it, man.
stress
I love
and all
that,
them
man,
things
Raga.
there. See
But
them
Raga
agenda.
still, me now
Yeah.
hold up a show still in my
Yeah.
boss. You see me?
Give thanks.
Alright, me
Yes,
have
sir.
one thing to say before I go here.
Rings.
Alright, so me I promote a new online shopping app now. We name We Shop 876 for the Jamaican people, them, right?
You know, some really enough to do that because TikTok, the algorithm. You know?
Yeah.
But anyway, yes, sir, We Shop 876. People,
Yeah,
no
man.
move to that and check it out.
And we have a TikTok page to Raga, you see me?
All right, We Shop
Me are
876.
the host over there.
All right.
But this is my personal page still.
All right, Anglia business. Here's a big
Yeah,
respect.
man.
Yeah?
Bless up yourself, Raga.
Yeah, man. Protection, man. Cool.
Yeah, man.
All right, me now want 10 million people come on now in the cars and have a style on the year and look at thing and then everybody want to come do this and that and thing. And don't bother with it. Anybody come and whatever. Me have a rub on out, me have a dab on up. Okay? Me don't want on already and thing. Don't do it and thing. Aye. Somebody's lying and it's the American woman them. Hello? Skipper. John, how Skipper reach up that to put it on with them and then we not hear nothing. And Skipper, you dead there, you know? Somebody's lying, going right down the line, next. Watch your Chris on there. Are you next after that? 7. Hello? Deborah? All right, people, look on the phone and make sure someone not come up in our box if we don't want to talk. Here? Look on the phone and make sure someone not accidentally come up in our box. Because when I call up a show, and then I go start calling on the name and thing, and then put on the name on parchment paper and send it go certain place and thing and go on a Bigfoot. All right? So, if you don't want Bigfoot and Boston, balance your thing. All right. Sexy girl Mello, what's up? Yes, 7, what you say?
I want the world without end.
7.
Oh, Raga, where you there,
My day, man, I give thanks, you know, where you there, pan? Your bathroom clean?
No, man, me there start try bubble one something.
You need to talk, you know.
Happy New Year, man. From this year start, me not chat to you.
Boy, I'm there, you know. I'm there, I hold it, man. I want tree in the people in the country. Yeah, me say me there, I hold it, you know. I want tree in the people in the country. I cut and go through, you know. Yo, 7 times, man, you do something, man. You're distracted, man. You do something.
Pass through, man. I say, you don't know my vibes, man. What time I go and touch base with you?
You see it,
Me not distracted, man. Remember, say sitting kind of delay, you know.
No. When you talk to me, that no delay.
He's sitting kind of delay. So I'm not distracted.
No, if you listen something else, that delay, but not when you attack to me. That no delay.
Raga, I can't listen to anything when me talking to you, darling. Oh my God.
You know what I'm saying? No sense. But when last you do a pedicure? Taco? When last you do a pedicure? Answer quick.
Raga, me do for one or no?
You still not answer a question.
Raga, me do for one or no?
You still not answer the question.
Me do for one or no, Raga?
When last you do a pedicure?
It last 3 weeks ago. It last 3 weeks ago. Me do for one or no?
Layate.
I swear to God.
Yes, true your delay. No, yes, true your delay.
Raga, me do for one or no? Raga, me say one.
Hold on. Yes, true your delay for answer.
No, Raga, me tell you say delay.
Yeah, no, you delay for answer. And then after you're done, here when I ask you, the last, no woman forget when them do them last money and petty. No woman forget.
What you want me to do? Raga, every time I come over here, you last time every 2 years I treat for music and watch my pum pum. I know, Raga. Raga, everything you have to prove to you, Raga. Raga, you know, 7 days.
No, me know but some my people them never believe you with that tree soap something there, you know. But at least you did put it on.
Show them me.
Yeah, you go on the video and show we tree soap them and thing and whatever and thing. But you know, so when the people.
If you want to know Raga, man, because my water I'm working in a Raga. Yeah, if you have to look good enough.
No, so what you say like your front due for your wash you know, 3 weeks you know wash your front too?
No, not the front, I'm mad. Them boy chocolate.
Oh, me never know. Well, you said them boy chocolate, no? Well, you say no, the boy them chocolate, they do the boy them chocolate up for wash down.
Already.
Wash already, dog. No, but
wash it turn it down fresh.
One line, but you know, when you did throw the tree soap, though, you know, the soap them did use gone down. Them did.
Then every day I put it for wash, so that's why soap must use gone down. When they have big soap, when the soap does big soap, then that means I'm not use it then. Soap must use to the go down.
Well, you have a point there, you know.
If you put the big glass, that means they're front now wash.
No, well, I love the way you defend yourself. Yeah. That's a solid counter argument, right?
Yes,
there.
Raga.
Right.
Wash out the front, turn it down. Hey, wash out the front, turn it down. On the back side, that's a Raga.
No. Me see what you say. Soap for melting in front. Soap for melting in front.
Yeah.
Soap
but
for
Raga, any soap, Raga, remember say I have to use a Dove. Because I don't know about for some woman, you see, sweetie soap with 2 of them pH balance.
Right, that is true. No, but every woman different way, you know.
You understand? Because I'm using Dove.
No, the soup. You see like how Dove work for you, and it cannot work for another woman. Some woman can't even use soap at all. You know, them put soap there so them you know, yeast infection right away and thing like that, you know. You know, so some women have and just so you do, I don't know if you know, do you know about Vagisil?
Yeah, Raga, me all have one new something so when you vaginal wash, my love.
What? Yes.
Yeah, we wash out this up properly, you know.
When I them something Jamaican name vaginal wash.
Yeah, what's what we call it, vaginal wash. Some people.
What you mean? That's so you call it. May I ask you what it name?
Oh, me have one different. I'm gonna show you. This one name vaginal wash. I'm gonna show you. This one here.
You gonna show me? I could see. Wait, so the vaginal, you don't have any. You just hear about it, so you don't have it, don't. Oh, but you never use it yet. You never use vaginal yet, right? I just a Dove you work with, don't.
Dove one of that something.
So your pony never experienced vaginal yet at all, no? No, we're gonna do a thing for you, man. Cause we come Jamaica we do a culture cation, you know, the people them start paying for them trip, you know, big TamFam trip in Jamaica in July.
No, do that without me.
No, big TamFam trip in Jamaica. No, the Jamaican people them say them go find one and juggle with we are gonna work out something for them and thing and whatever. But big TamFam trip in Jamaica.
Raga, you not see it.
See what I see a pony?
No, not my pony.
Oh, okay. Me
not yet.
Me no know where you are. No yet. You know, we can't manage you sometimes. What you say? No yet, Raga. Wait till you come here. All right. So, well, you not put on this something. We not see it yet.
Eat me and try the Raga.
Yeah, yes, man. I know the technology. I beat out your crap, beat out your nastiness, though.
Raga, I want to show it, you know.
What you have? What the one where you have? No, but you bring up your video already.
Summer Eve, aloe vera love. Remove.
No man, that's Summer Eve. Well, Summer Eve are the brand, you know. That they about long time, you know.
Yeah, I eat me out.
No, Tal, she don't know about Vagisil. She just know about sitting there vaginal, but she never used vaginal.
Raga, me chat bad. I saw it name. Like what the woman said in the comment.
What? Vagisil?
Vaginal. Sitting.
What the woman saying now? What comment?
What's your name? Me tell her what's your name. What's your name? Tala. She pronounced it right. Yeah.
No, it's Vagisil she have there.
Yes, I eat. I said name for sure.
Hold on. Me na ask
You come in and want sit in the buckle.
7. Me na ask you at the beginning, say, if you use Vagisil, and you said no.
No, but me I tell you, say, Raga, listen up, Raga. Raga is agitated. Calm down now.
No, well, I me say what me want to say. Nobody go like you want to come drape me. Man, a gangster, you can't drape me.
Tell me, baby.
Listen what me I say.
Me turn me on.
Hold on. Me say to you, do you use Vagisil? You said no. We use one something named vaginal. And that you say.
Raga, me can't pronounce it good. But when me see him writing, on the back and on that left, he say yes, I
Mixup and Blenda time.
No, but no, 7, no, you keep it 100 a while ago. 7 that bad. 7 that bad like 10 million for your side.
Then Raga, you want me tell lies, say?
No, people shall keep it 100. So people, me come out and me go say, Vagisil. And she say, no, me don't know about that something there. We know, no, I want thing down here, it named vaginal. So me I say vaginal. So she watch it chat now. So when she see the spelling now, she say, yeah, see this, I don't see him spelling that.
Yeah, I don't want it there. Cross road, I don't want it there. Yeah.
When I say me, you recognize the letter them down?
Yes, sir. I don't want it there.
No, that bad. I'm bad. Make me can't pronounce it, you know, but me recognize the letter them. I eat them Vagisil. Oh, I eat them Vagisil. Oh, all right, then I eat
but
CM.
No, me buy this one. We say you can use up to 24 hour. You know, we name Eve, Summer Eve, and it's an aloe vera thingy like.
Oh, so that one they keep you fresh, right?
The 7 in 1 on the green and one, coming on one green and white buckle, yeah.
Okay, that one they work, it make you think.
Yes, man, Raga, man. Good boy, so don't nice, sniffing like a buckle. Yeah.
What you say what? What?
Raga, what to you, man?
What you say no? What you say the boy them what? The boy them.
Raga, you're not to use them, man, everything nice,
go down
Raga.
in them chocolate, go down in your chocolate when you give boy some high calorie, nice tasting chocolate.
Raga, man. Oh, God.
Make boy lick him lips them and feel nice,
man.
down. Yeah.
Make you boys put it on the lip, come like lipstick.
Yeah. Anyway, the TamFam culturecation I come down at Jamaica from Saturday, July 25th to August the 3rd. Here we're going to
Raga, if you not come there, Raga the program now.
No, they can't come in for because Agnes some for come in for some of the event them man and thing, you know.
Raga know say 17.
You see it and whatever. Because when we announce it, you know, up to today somebody playing them deposit, you know. I don't know if you want me call her name. Yesterday somebody playing them deposit and whatever.
How much money somebody go find? Come go find 2 months to rip off, you know what you say?
No, phone money at Jamaica different from the people who are fly down. We're gonna be staying.
Raga when they are tape if you play back, Raga cut out the part that I'm not rob no boy.
You're not rob no boy. You never do that yet. You never do that yet. That was a Satan make that come out a while ago. That wasn't you. That wasn't you. Because you've never robbed a boy. Never robbed no boy. Only no man, we're gonna line it up so for certain events on the forward and thing and whatever because we're gonna be at Rio. The all-inclusive Ocho race and a Rio Ocho race up there, we are going to be and things. So, and things. So the people, them are coming with them deposit now and all them something there and thing and whatever.
Tell me what Jamaica money knows, we are going to suffer.
Me say me have to go work out that, but just work out the package for people who are fly down with us and people who are come to stay with us Rio Ocho.
But I have listened to you.
Them own a flight and thing, you know. So we just
so
work out.
I have listened to you for 17 years. You will get to know how much ups and downs your program have brought me through. You understand what I say? You have no idea. Rooty, anywhere there in the world, big up yourself. Rooty, have a look laugh. They went and mix up sweet Rooty. Yeah, that's what I mean.
And people, she's referring to my long-standing producer when I was in Jamaica, from station to station, Rooty the Cutie. All right, that's who she's referring to and thing. Yeah, big up Rooty,
and
man.
me can
Big
tell you,
up
say
Rooty.
Raga, man. And you know, you make me laugh, bro. Anytime 9 o'clock coming out, you purr. You want to see me, I wiggle my backside, I go for room, you know, man. So
Yeah.
you see me, and Raga, my child is now 17 years now.
Yeah.
That's how come I remember, say, from then the time for me to me, I go through me look ups and down from then the time until now. I can remember say, yo, boy, Raga, always there to put a smile on my face. Raga, you don't have no idea what TikTok, this technology have make some. Raga, think I look $100 owe me, I look $200 Raga, to make credit to me, I call Raga, I want to call what the credit done. I think I look at time, Raga, you owe me. Raga, you owe me.
Well, you never get through, but you say different with TikTok, you know, you just forward, no?
Yeah.
You see it. Watch out. You know, Jamaican tell to be a big bear, him say, Miss Ruth with Can You Believe It? One on there. Big beer, from them time they all listen to me. Stop that. Oh, no, I know you. Jesus.
I know me.
No, the Duppy them.
Jesus God, turn me roll. Hallelujah.
No, fam, what that's a go on, you know.
Man, let me run like you woman we are taking back shop on the table for your program. And remember that woman.
Yeah, we got that body in a federal home. But when I say is, no man, you have one Duppy in here, you know, with me, you know. And that music that way you hear, I that Melissa, but it playing at the background when me a juggle. I that playing at the background when me there and just, you know, that type of music and me listen. But this Duppy
can you believe it too?
You
believe it?
One on about this Duppy in here, anytime me I do the show, the Duppy in here just get upset and a chat about me in a you and your show, you know, me want to listen to music and things. So the Duppy always start play back your music, you know. And what
get behind me, Duppy, get behind me. Don't give me no back shot.
What do you make this? What you say, what?
Me tell you, Duppy, say, get behind me, Duppy, get behind me, but don't give me no back shot.
Yeah. All right.
The Duppy when I hear background.
No, me know. But if me I talk about the Duppy were there, right?
Yeah.
Follow me.
But me depend on the program too.
Hold on, man. Right. But when me I tell you, say no, when the Duppy I play the song, I mean I want the Duppy play the song, and you say get behind me. My immediate understanding is you're telling me what to tell the Duppy.
But Jesus can Raga and me can't, but I think the Duppy if breed me. Don't give me the back shot.
No, but why me I go tell the Duppy if you get behind me, don't give me no back shot? Cause that don't even make sense, you know.
It makes sense, Raga, they remove a technology, Raga will come to your phone, you know.
Well, no, you're not listen when me I say listen, Master Raga talk to you, right? The phrase get behind this Satan, it means condemning, right? So it just means get away. It means get away. But given what you were talking about, you cannot tell it up if it get behind you, don't give you no back shot. If you don't want a back shot, well, you tell it up if it get behind you. You follow me now? You follow me? No, you get it. No, you get it, right? You can imagine you tell a man want to give a backers, right? A man say, yo, come give me a backers, right? And you turn around and you go say, me not give no backers, get behind me. Me not give no backers. That don't make no sense. Right? Cause the Duppy listen right away and I said, right a while ago and I said, dear media, now me I go send up the spiritual body in you. You understand?
And we give me twin Raga.
Yeah. You believe that said Duppy, you know enough Jamaican.
Raga, me say. One
man. You believe that, you know enough Jamaican believe said Duppy sort out woman for true. You believe say anything go so?
Of course, Raga, they can't hold it down too much. You can't move, man. Some people they call it sleeping paralysis. That's why it's the name.
Yeah, sleeping paralysis. But
yeah, but I feel like a Duppy for true, man, Raga, man. I mean, man, Raga, man.
No, enough people Jamaicans have sleeping paralysis, which is a recognized, physical act which can happen to people, and you can't tell them say I'm a Duppy I hold them down and then can't
Raga, me say sometimes Raga, y'all call somebody say you can't call him.
See, Marva, she say yes, it's true. Marva, what you mean is true? What you mean is true? Yeah, you ever know any woman in Jamaica with Duppy sat them on?
No, Raga.
right, let me ask you something. Follow me now, you know. All right. From me a little bit, me I hear say Duppy a sort out woman, right? Cool, right. That means say a Duppy man will love woman, don't it? How come we never hear say like I want female Duppy and move to a woman? How we never hear that yet?
Raga, so right there we can see them twin raga, so sometimes all woman can start out the woman them to
No, what I'm saying, but we never hear about a lesbian Duppy yet. Or we never hear about a lesbian Duppy. That is all disrespect to the lesbian them, you know, because not going like say them can be Duppy too. Right? Oh, we never hear about a lesbian Duppy yet, right?
We never think about, never stop to think about that yet.
Hold on. So, oh, you never hear about a gay man Duppy yet?
No, Raga, I never hear about that one day.
Exactly.
Yeah, but it Duppy, they look like for all like Duppy, then they just get straight, so.
You know, say you're the right thing, do. You know, say the gay people are going to take offense to that. The gay people are going to say, you see it, we can't. Anywhere we go, them beat we. And when we turn up with them, I beat we. The gay people, them probably say, right, you know, John, no, we get, anywhere we turn Maca joke we. Anywhere we turn, and when we turn Duppy, them no one even recognize when we turn Duppy.
Then look into it, Raga, for true. If you never hear about a gay Duppy, I mean never hear about a gay Duppy.
Yeah.
And that's what me I say. Every Duppy is straight. Then Raga, look at it. Remember say have gay people do get you know, pass away to, you know, in a Raga. So
exactly.
That means for long cause the people in the Raga just get straight.
No, or it could mean that there is no Duppy.
No, Raga man, that means Raga Duppy really for true, Raga man.
No, but you can't. But if there is continuity in your identity, your sexual identity, in the spiritual world for heterosexual, why you don't think there's continuity in the spiritual world for gay people?
Then Raga, you never remember so back in the idea, then they never you just like how we would have promote certain things, Raga. Raga, remember so back in the idea, then sit the taboo with the Raga.
No, taboo to reveal it. No.
Yes.
No.
Me never say taboo to happen, you know.
Exactly. It's a taboo.
But taboo to reveal it. So it never acknowledge back in the days.
No, so why? So then when them turned up in that time for them free up. Alright, you know what they say when gay people leave Jamaica and come America, then free up and just come out and make everybody know, don't it?
Yeah.
So then when them going into the spiritual world and thing, and that nobody can't whoever carry them go police station in a Duppy land.
Nobody know what carry them Raga.
Whoever beat them up in a whatever this and that in a Duppy land. In a Duppy land a different thing. So that means that
and that time they can't do it, they can't jump
exactly. So when I said, so why we not hear about why from where I grew up in Jamaica?
It's Raga from it born up until now.
Hold on. You ever notice I couldn't ever go with the gay thing. You ever notice says when the time we hear about Duppy, I sort out somebody is always a Duppy man, I sort out a Duppy woman.
Brother, I mean, you never hear Raga me always hear that about Duppy man.
You never hear say a Duppy woman sort out a Duppy man yet, you know?
Never. Always a Duppy man. Always a Duppy man.
It's always a Duppy man I do it.
Yes. The truth.
Right? Why go on there's something right. And we know say in a real life and thing. A regular
it's like a woman not dead. It's like a woman not dead.
No, we know say in a real life a regular woman move to man and say, why you come send her on the body there. I want me to you know say we want you right now, right? I like you know. You are one of them woman there, you know, when you're there with your man, when you want it, you go to him and take it, you know, because I saw you road. Right?
Can we talk now?
Yeah.
Can we talk? Raga, me go for that man, Raga.
You go for that.
Raga, sometimes me want it, Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, when time me want it. I feel like I enjoy sex more. When time me want it, Raga.
It ever turn you on more when him going like him now and do it and you
Raga,
get him to do it.
Raga, just make most want it more.
Sure.
Just want it. Yeah.
I can't tell you something. You see me and you there? And God forbid you pass on. Me I do everything for you to come near me, you know, because I don't think I could have managed you as a Duppy.
Raga. Raga, you're talking, Raga, you're talking like a joke, choosing.
Would I go to 10 women, man? I say, you know, when 70 day, man, a different. What me for wear? Red brief? What else me for do? Put
Raga, you're talking like a joke, but you're not a joke, a real sitting. If you know me in a real life, Raga, you already say it too.
All right, you know, Jamaicans have, let me just say it. Yeah, right. Part of it, this is discriminatory, so around nobody get pan them kid. So you know, by Jamaican cultural rules, right? The worst Duppy we can, the two worst Duppy we can get pan. The worst one is baby Duppy, right? You know that, right? And then after that, this is discriminatory. I'm not endorsing it. I'm just telling you what exists in Jamaican culture. Then after that, the worst Duppy with Jamaican care about it's Coolie Duppy, right? You know that, right? All right, then cool. But them have all these rituals like when people pass, you know, to protect the woman from the man being come back.
You know, the major,
no, she have to cut off her pubic hair, wrap it up in a
put in a
casket and thing like that. But we never hear them protect. So the woman, them not, the Duppy woman, them not come back.
Raga, man, one time you want to start out, Raga, we collect me can tired. I'm sorry for you.
Me not think I could have managed you as a Duppy do and thing. It would have kind of rough, you know.
Raga, me say, Raga, can't talk about here. Raga, but tell you something. Raga, one time, you know, but they have this man. You know, Raga, I say, yo, Raga, me type of woman, them, I don't want you all the way, Raga, but when time I want him, I want.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say, so you know, say a man come for me for our work one evening. I woke up at that time, I live up further from I live no. You understand me? I say, so in top of one shop, I chat about football, this damn dirty Manu. You want to up the attack.
Oh, Manchester United.
Chat about Manu. I want to work in Raga. Go over here and go wash out the sick in Raga. I put on my lingerie and drink up my tan panel in Raga.
I'm ready for boy and boy. Raga,
I say, Raga, tan panel.
Yeah.
So you know, say Raga, I go so boops and walk through my friend yard. And go to the road. Come here, call him phone and he out this chat, you know. I chat in a Raga. And I say, Raga, go to the road, Raga. We say, Raga, if everybody know me, I have a big prostero. But you see, God creep out everything and my salting.
Oh, you know, no bottom, but it's fat, do you?
Enough!
Don't the
Mr. Raga, plenty on the front.
It look like God take it out of your bottom and put it on the front door.
Mr. Raga, I put everything in the front.
No, I understand. I understand what you mean, but not do it so because you don't want nobody call you batty pooms. I'm just saying, you know, I get the point, but you might not want to phrase it that way. My girl go say, who are you batty in your pum pum, a real batty pums that.
Mr. Raga.
Anyway, yeah.
Mr. Raga, enough up in a Raga. So you don't know, Mr. Raga.
Yeah.
He land away where you have Raga. He more enhanced, make your front enhanced up in a Raga, make you ready in a Raga. Raga, you know, say, see him way me go to the road and whip in a me hand.
I lie you tell.
Raga, serious, people who they up they can tell you.
You go, body him up and say, come in.
Go there with them. Raga, me serious, Raga. As soon as I joke the night, Raga, I went right out the field.
Right out
there. He knows, me tell him, say, oi. Me tell him, say, when time I want to work, me want to come out with one bag of chattings. Ready?
No, you know, say, anybody grew up a ghetto can tell us, say, them experience some woman like that in a ghetto, because when me deliver south, especially, me know a woman like that who just come out, me know that not call her name, come out and say, oi, me have work for go man, you know, just come give me my F and thing, and then you can go back out there, go chat and thing. So me know a woman walk out in them 90 and just hold boy, and when we out there chat and I carry boy go in away, I say, yes, my lad, you have to go perform. We give about an hour, you can forward. No, man, you have the woman, man.
You know, say one time, Raga, we don't say we are going with self. And my landlord tell me, say, me I disturb him. I tell you, no, say, man, I make nice.
And then, no, but how him feel make nice and the landlord
when you reach to that point.
Me know, so well, him sound like you.
Raga, swear to God.
Yo, hey, let me tell you something. As a man, because we men, we talk about it, you know. Say, yo, when we go pop off, you know, we depend guard, you know. Because sometimes when it good, you know, man, when the thing turn up, you know, we would do that in our man voice, you know, but the thing so good, you know. It's like a little girl sound and come out and catch you half guard, you know. Yeah, man, that's happened to enough for we, man. Right? Like it's so good, you know, you know, so when man a pop off, I do some.
No, sir, Raga, you know, sound like that, Raga.
One man, and that, me I tell you, man. So we used to that. We used to when, you know, we used to that sound then. But every now and then, when the thing up, if you're not careful, and they pay your man guard, a little girly sound will sneak out and embarrass you, you know? And thing I have a play.
Then Raga, you say first time Raga, but tell you
like so sometimes you with the pan all that thing like one line man, you laugh out the bomb buckler joke, man. I want me to you, man. 107, man. You with the pan. Yeah, and that sound then about that sound. Well, answer what you say. What you say? What him do? You tell me what him do.
Raga, me say man. Say Raga, man sound like a woman. Tell Raga, you don't know say. You don't know say me frightened. If me frightened, Raga, me turn on look on the man like, what do him?
What sound you make? We go tell you. Go tell you sound. What the sound we make? What the sound we make?
Raga, not even me, woman, not sound like I Raga.
No, but see if you can just yo, I you name 7, you know, just see if you can replicate the sound for winner, man.
Raga, that depend thing like. Like that.
yeah, you can't to have them kind of mourning there and thing or whatever. Nah, but you see, anytime them look a sound they come out, though, we men, we play it half back, you know. Yeah, you have to play it half back right after every time they look a sound.
Can you imagine how me look at him, Raga? Raga.
No, man, you're supposed to feel, you're supposed to feel good about that. You can't look at him now.
Raga, me I tell you too, in the moment, Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, remember say a gangster like that in a Raga.
Me say what I say. A real thuggish down. Bad boy them way.
Yeah. Say Raga, when me turn on, Raga, me turn look at him like, I'm just dumb stuff. I'm my mouth all what Raga look.
Yeah. Yo, Kwame Ultimate, big up yourself. Spoilers on Southside, the large up and thing. Wildman Street, James Street, Sutton Street, big up on yourself.
Kwame for a long time today.
Me no know Kwame Ultimate, him say spoilers, but you know say him say from you know say spoilers are our place, you know, Southside and spoilers him say.
You think Kwame from a long time from rooted them days.
No,
we never Kwame in the time there, no?
No, me no know that Kwame.
Raga?
Me no know that Kwame.
I want man name I look at old man. Yes, Raga. I think when he come and he said, yes, Raga. What one of the name again, man? Mr. Universe.
Oh, Mr. Universe over St. Elizabeth. Him still there about, you know. No, him not there on my show. Him not call my show, but him see him all the while on social media. Cause him a big labor right, you know. So him ever out there represent for the Greens, them, you know. You see me?
Him not him.
Yeah, him not. You don't know how him said the angel for a long time. Yeah. Answer. And then go make Beanie Man box him down one time when him a violate. Anyway, 7, big up yourself, you know, I'm going to chat to some other people.
Yes,
you know,
man, Raga, blessings and all the things, you know.
And you don't know, go and melt up your soap in that here.
Yeah, man, vaginal. I saw any girl pronounce the name for me. I saw you look.
Vagisil. All right?
Yeah, Raga.
Bless up yourself.
I hope you never see the show, Raga. Here, darling.
Which show?
Remember the one where you said tap down a radio down there, sir?
No, we're going to do that for 9 days.
Oh.
We're going to there all over the country. You understand?
Okay.
All right. But with that, man, we're going to link, man. Because, no, when the trip didn't announce, you know, I get 2 calls right away. Oi, Mr. Sar. You're going like you only care about the TamFam of them we are bring down from foreign. What about we who there? Don't do it. No, proper bad up reach me and thing. Proper bad up reach me.
I know my place you come to in a Raga.
Wait.
I write off this one, man. I'm telling you, man.
Oh, don't say another word. All right, big up yourself. We will link, man. We're going to come forward and things. See?
All right, then, Ragga. Blessings.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool. People do remember what we are talking about, it's a Jamaica culture-cation, right? The Jamaica culture-cation. 9 days in a Jamaica, and it's all about culture and vacation. Culture and vacation is a TamFam trip, is a Ragashanti trip, and things seen. And if you don't want to know about it, go to tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, and look on the Jamaica culture-cation. tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, and it's from July 25th to August 3rd. And someone want to express an interest for forward and thing, but make sure someone deal with it, because this thing with this fuel thing and whatever, it may impact the price and thing and whatever, right? So people, it's all about culture and fun, all about culture and fun. So we have the culture side where we are going to look on African labor roots in the sugarcane and rum industry, come up and thing, and we're going to go over Appleton Estate and check out that and sitting and thing. We're going to go to an activity. We're giving you a Ragashanti. People, I'm an anthropologist. Anthropologist, we study culture and identity. It's my area of expertise, right? And I am considered a Jamaicanist, right? That is why I taught the class Caribbean culture while I was in the Faculty of Social Sciences in the Department of Sociology, Psychology, and Social Work at the University of the West Indies for 9 years, right? I taught Caribbean culture, and me teach identity and conduct in the dancehall culture. This is my area of expertise. I'm an entertainer too. So you don't know, so I don't know boring something, right? No found on Jamaicans and thing, but you can learn some things about your country and whatever. Unfortunately, they don't teach our culture and history and heritage in our schools in Jamaica, right? When we grew up, them teach all them think about Europe and all them sitting there and whatever, and what them for teach about our identity, them not do it. But it's right there. And we have people who have been taking corrective measures over the decades and things like that. And we have all these activities that we can take part and feel good about yourself. When you feel good about yourself and proud about yourself, you feel better, but you do more. People who are proud of where them come from and things, they're more successful. Them picnic grow better, them family grow better, them live with purpose, right? So that's the rule. That are some of these things you can do in terms of them potential influence upon you. So we're going to have fun and we're going to learn. So we're going to do the Arawaks of Tainos, explore the earliest chapter of Jamaica's history by learning about the Arawaks, also known as the Taino people. The island's first inhabitants will have something we're going to do, over St. Ann with that, okay? Then we are going to go over to the Seville Great House and Heritage Park, and we're going to look on slavery, wealth, and colonial power. Remember, none of this are boring, Raga sitting, so we are juggle with it, so it's going to be vibes and thing and whatever, right? Where we're going to explore how European colonial powers built immense wealth through plantation slavery while shaping the island's social and political structures, okay? We're going to deal with that. Then we're going to look on the roots of African labor in the capitalization of Jamaica. Like, Jamaica is not a poor country, people. Don't make nobody fool, Jamaica is not a third world poor country. Money there, Jamaica, but the people who have it, them smart, you see. Right? So we're going to look on the African labor in that thing. In another context, we're going to go over Appleton Estate and learn how Jamaica's global reputation for rum, sugar cane, and them, blah, 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 enslaved Africans who underpin the economic success with Jamaica have and thing like that, right? Then we are going to go up to Charlestown Maroon community. And you're going to see real strong African. Back then, they call it the Gold Coast. The name of Brittany Gade. Brittany for go from yes, man, them are wicked. But anyway, it's now Ghana. And thing on the know, say, next month, I go Ghana, right? I'm a place. I go there every year. I bring a group of people every year. We're going there next month. That's a different trip, right? But you have a community in Jamaica, Charlestown Maroon community, when them still speak Twi, which is an Akan language from West Africa spoken by the Ashanti. The right word is the Ashanti, but everybody know it as the Ashanti and thing. Where we go down, when we go down a Kumasi in Ashanti Kingdom of Ghana, when we bring my trip, them go down there every year, we carry a group of people. But you have people in a Jamaica, all these years and decades, them still speak a language up there, them still have all these African retentions and practices up there. Me I carry on up there, so go check out that. Then we're going to go to an indigenous Rastafari community and thing, right? And make them, you know, someone who think you know about Rasta. I don't really know a Rasta yet, you know. I can't go turn on a Rasta, because I go turn on a Rasta. I just want to learn about the contribution where Rasta make to you know, Jamaica's culture, our cultural identity. Enough of the thing them on proud of right now, you know, Rasta push it out there now, you don't even understand it. Since we have experienced Rasta philosophy, spirituality and resistance ideology in the Rastafari community. This when we're gonna go over St. James. Then finally for the culture part, we're gonna go over St. Thomas. If you want to come in a drumming session and ceremony, people are not going to seal up a thing, you know. I tell you so that nice. Let me tell you something. Big up all of the Jamaican folk farms, and I like them. Gary Benta, Quadrille, Brookings, all of them, right? But my two favorite is Dinky Mini and Kumina. Dinky Mini is for wake dances and thing, and of course it have the whole heap of wind up, Bessie down, Bessie come up and whatever this and that. And Kumina, right? Kumina, you're up on the back foot and you go down, dugum, and then you break and then you do the spin them and enough of the dance them what them and do in a whatever, right? In a dance hall. When you see Jamaican folk farm dance, you see where the movement them a come from. I go teaching all them something. Them I make you feel good about yourself. We are gonna juggle and we are gonna enjoy ourselves when we are learn about ourselves. You understand? So you have the part there. But then now we have to have some fun too. Hello, Moto. All right. So we're going to have a catamaran boat party. And of course, you go on any one of these if you want. If you want to stay back at the hotel and just take a day, you're not going to have a rest day anyway. And think we are going on a catamaran boat party, and that is just to play music and wind up yourself and carry on and this and that and whatever. We're going to go to White River tubing, right? This is in, you know, St. Anne there, right? You go down to St. Mary side, St. Anne, St. Mary, and we are going to tube down the White River and thing and whatever and thing and rain, I water and I enjoy Jamaica and all them look at something there, whatever, nice time I eat good food. The people them say them still want to go down River Falls, believe it or not. I go down River Falls so much time and whatever, but when I feel out this, some people say, I never go there yet, I want to go to Reggae, so it depends it for go down River Falls. And you can imagine we TamFamers at down River Falls, I be a nice, this kind of dying for some. I say, Master Good has put up picture when she did that. Me want to see she climb, because I know she go drop and Papa Ras. She go and drop and Papa, I know which bad for her, I just tell her, say, that's what I'm to her. Anyway. That's just what I think. Then we're going to go riverside cooking, right? We're going to have a look at deer or a half deer and whatever. We just go on riverside. That is a thing in Jamaica now. I like it. You just go riverside and you cook and whatever. Now, that's not nothing new to it. Anytime washing and go on a river, that go on. And it's a thing. And there was a time when them didn't have dance at riverside. That did go on at Jamaica for a while, like riverside dance and thing. But now, them have this riverside cooking thing. We go on and things. So we want to go there. And we're going to go over Boston Bay heritage thing and whatever. Because there's a lot one can know, but you know, who want to eat look at jerk pork thing. If you don't eat pork, you don't eat pork. If you want to eat look at jerk chicken, boom. If you don't eat jerk chicken and you have jerk fish and whatever, and when you go over there, you may meet a friend and jerk something yourself. Yeah, it's Jamaica, right? So wherever you want jerk. If you want somebody help you jerk. All we are saying when you come on the trip, what happened on the trip? Stay upon the trip. No, we can't talk about certain things, but certain things will happen upon the trip. Una don't go fly on the mouth. See, I'm blind, ear and deaf. Because when you go upon these trips, worse than in the country, look screeching me and go on and thing. I TamFam on the name, right? So, if you see somebody hide and do something and thing and whatever, don't bother go say nothing about it and thing like that, because we're going there to have nice time. Hello? Okay? So the cost and thing that all who interested for come on a trip here with we on a need for get busy right now. This thing here with the gas thing and whatever, the prices are up there. Now, sometimes some people say the price them are on kind of this and that, and once me explain to on us like, okay. This first of all, it's Rio in Ocho Rios. It's an all-inclusive top-rated hotel, Rio, kind of like a fenke place, man, I can, right? The total is 5,000 per person, 8,600 for double, and 10,800 for triple. That's how many people in a room. 5,700 per person, 8,600 for the double, 10,800 for 3 people. However, that include return airfare from JFK, one way, connect. Direct flight to, from JFK to Montego Bay and back, transportation to all of the events, and transportation back and forth from all inclusive. And it's 9 days in Rio. Want to think that cheap? No, this is a deal. Now, why? All of the people who travel, when me tell them this, they were like, yo, this is low Ragashanti, because them travel and them know we are talking about 9 days, okay? However, if you buy your own ticket, you're going to take out the $500 part of the packet for your ticket, right? So it's going to come down, anybody who buy them on a ticket. We already have people that come from Atlanta. Somebody PR deposit to the Atlanta she come from. She going to fly from Atlanta and go to Jamaica and meet with down there. So she going to take out the airfare component out of it, right? All right, so you will have all those little things and little adjustment to make and things like that. But this is the standard thing where the standard cost we each package, okay? Transportation to all of the events them covered back and forth from the airport, and you stay at the all-inclusive, right? If you want to lock your spot on the trip, it's 1,500 deposit to hold your spot. 1,500 deposit to hold your spot per person, to hold your spot. For the double, it's 2,500 for with the 2 people, and thing, all right? The information is at tamfamtravel.com, 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 tamfamtravel.com. All right, and for those of you who want to send in a deposit and thing and you want to talk to me about it, send me a text at the following number, 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. Send me a text, okay? Send me a text. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. It's the Jamaica, it's a TamFam, the Ragashanti TamFam Jamaica Culturecation, right? Jamaica Culturecation. Jamaica Culturecation. And just come in and make we have some fun and thing. And when we are traveling, be a vibes and be a nice time, right? Be a nice time. Just come learn some things new about your culture, about your heritage, about your country if you're Jamaican. And if you're not Jamaican, come learn something about Jamaican. Simultaneously having a whole lot of fun. TamFam style, Jamaica style, and make some great memories. It's go nice. Come on, my sitting here, go nice, all right? So make a link and make we do this thing and shell it out and turn it up. You understand what I say? Big up, Poofy, big up. Yes, and we're going to Ghana next month. Again, we're leaving on the 6th for Ghana. That trip is set. And then for those of you who want to go on the Thailand trip in December, no need for sending more send because people are lock off his spot them right now. People are lock off. We have a couple sending them money. We have a couple them sending for them money and say, we just want to lock our spot or whatever, this and that. Remember the Thailand trip. Thailand trip is December 1st. Right, we leave December 1st, we're going to reach there December 2nd, and then we're going to leave from there on December 12th and reach back here December 13th. So, on a need for lock on a spot for that trip that took, okay? That is a Thailand trip, right? First 4 days really 5 days in Bangkok. On the 5th day, we're going to leave Bangkok, go down to Phuket and do the beach thing and all activities there and whatever. We're going to do the floating market in Bangkok, in Bangkok, okay? We're going to the rooftop bar, right? I got counter the place. And remember when I create my trip, me not just create it, so I go there first. And go to different place and find out which part safe and what nice for do and what a scam and what this and what a that and why you need to be careful and whatever. Yeah, and them something them I do. You understand? So all who interested in a Thailand trip to need for lock on a spot from now. Because with the people who I work with, the third party I work with, I put the package them together. them I make we know say, yo, this fuel thing I make the rate them change. But from you lock in and you think, you know, the price, the whole and thing, them can't really go around you with that. All right. So again, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. We know the juggling and thing and everything is everything, you know. Me and Mr. Wash Belly, you know, my mama last picnic, you know, and them say me favor, and Jamaicans have a thing where say, if you favor your mother, you go lucky. It's a thing in our culture, them claim, you know. If you favor your mother, them say you go lucky. Are you lucky? If you favor your mother. I mean, I don't know anything goes so. I want them have some up on the father side, I don't know. No certain me I grew up, them say, you know, say you go lucky. You favor your mama, you know, look a boy. Yeah. Anyway. So, all right, what you juggling and okay, somebody that go call, let me see if I can call. Right, when I come in with the juggling and the mix up on the app, if you don't want to talk about the big dirty lie when them a tell upon Jamaican men, but that's something that's fine. If you don't have any mix up there, so you just call in and make we know, right? Hello.
Reggae.
What's up?
Reggae.
Yeah.
I want to comment on the vaginal wash. So,
yeah.
you know, they could use 1 part arnica, 1 part red clover, 1 part hops, and 1 part sage.
No, well on. Talk up, look louder. But you know, remember, say people don't know some of thing then where you chat about now. What you say about arnica?
Arnica is a flower. It's a plant flower. So you could use 1 part that, 1 part red clover, 1 part hops.
No, hold on, darling.
Sage.
You can't. People don't know what them for do with it. You can't do what them for do with it.
They can make it as a tea and cool it off and use it. So it brings your pH back into balance.
Well, everything
if you have everything to get rid of it.
Well, everything where you just say is something where you put together.
Yes.
See somebody a post and I say I am lost, so and so. But yeah, so and then what you say they must put together now.
1 part arnica, ARNICA flowers. Arnica flowers, 1 part red clover, 1 part hops, HOPS, you know, the beer stuff, 1 part sage. I grow everything except for the arnica. So, you put it together, it really works.
So what them for do? Them for dry that? Them for dry?
Make a tea.
What,
use it after they mix that.
Hold on. Are they supposed to dry it or boil it?
Dry it.
Dried, okay.
After they combine all that, they use 1 tablespoon and dry it, cool it, and use it. It works wonders.
Oh, that's all. They must take 1 tablespoon?
After they mix all those parts together, 1 tablespoon, and draw the tea and use it. They can wash with it, or they could use a douche bag with it.
No, hold on. You just say after them do that, they must use 1 tablespoon from where them dry, right? That is what you're saying, right?
Let me repeat. So 1 part arnica flowers, 1 part red clover.
No, we get that. I'm just saying the tablespoon part. Yeah, what? Say that again because I think there's something certain.
You mix all of that together and use 1 tablespoon of the herb that you mix together to make a tea. Hello? Did I lose you?
No, I'm here. So after you put everything together, you use 1 tablespoon of that for dry the tea.
Yes.
Okay.
You do not boil it. You draw it. You cool it, and then you use it down there.
No. So So when you put all of that together, the 1 part this and the 1 part that and the 1 that is just to mix them together?
Yes. You're mixing them together dry. After you mix them together dry, you take 1 tablespoon and draw the tea. Cool it and then use it.
You see, darling, what I'm saying, you know exactly what you're saying in your mind, you know. But I don't think you're thinking when people are listening to you. Because you see the way you say it before, Anybody that listen to your meet, they think say the one part, this one, that you say for draw.
All right. You want me to start over?
No. Them, we here. Them understand no. Them understand no. But that these things don't work for everybody, though. You know that, though, right?
I'll take it. Yeah, this does.
No. Nothing works for everybody. Nothing works for everybody. Nothing works for everybody. Nothing. Not Tylenol, nothing works for everybody. You understand?
You're probably right.
Right. So
You're probably right. I used to use it. I still use this, but one day my sister was going to Dubai and she wanted to drink alcohol. She had a yeast infection and she called me. She said, "What should I do?" I made the mixture, gave it to her, had her use it.
Okay.
She was able to go to Dubai without using the medication she got from the doctor and drink all she wanted to drink.
Right. I just want to remind you that your hormonal configuration is like your fingerprint. No two is the same. No two is the same.
I understand.
Right. So
you're right.
There's some things that can apply universally, like, but it doesn't mean that it's going to work for everybody. And I am a man, so I'm not an expert on this, but if it's one thing I do know, just from being with women over the years, is if there's one thing that is just unique and different almost for every woman, it's the balance down there for ladies. It's like there's a lot of diversity there, with women,
That's true, because every time I use soap, it disrupts me, so that's what I use to bring it back.
There you go. One soap would bother one person, and that soap then bother the next person, and it goes on like that or whatever, and thing. Anyway, thank you for sharing that, though.
Wait a minute. I'm good. I want to say something else before you hang up.
Yeah.
And you said you don't believe that there are ghosts that try to come in on women.
No, I don't believe that. No, I just find it curious that all the accounts we have heard of Duppy coming back and sorting out people is always only men, heterosexual men, who come back and sorting out women. We never hear any of the other thing them were going. When the assumption is whatever you were in real life, you're still that in the past, when you're part. So why the absence of those things? And given the absence of those accounts, it suggests that the man them, the reports of the man them who are sought out, the Duppy man them who are sought out the woman, then they mean then that is not even true. So what you have to say about it? You know anything along those lines?
I think it really happens.
Why you say that? Why you say that?
Let me tell you, I was a couple months ago, I was, when you're just starting to fall asleep?
Yeah.
I just started to fall asleep.
Yeah.
And this big tall man tried to jump on me.
This big tall man tried to jump on you?
I swang and he just disappeared. I'm like, yeah. Wow. I woke up and I'm like, yeah, you got the wrong one.
But what happened? What happened?
He tried to. When you're first starting to fall into sleep, you see a lot of things during that time.
Yeah.
This big tall man I was in my bed. He tried to jump on me. I backhand him and he disappeared.
What you mean a backhand? You slap him with a backhand?
Yes.
Hold on. You get a Duppy a backhand box?
Yes, Raga, yes.
And you feel when your hand connect him or your hand go through him face?
Yes.
Or you feel when your hand, so you feel contact then?
And he disappeared.
How him did look?
He was tall. And I can't describe his face, but I know he came in to jump on me. I'm like, oh, hell no.
No, but like,
you have to understand,
so him about 6'2", 6'4", or something like so tall, right?
Yes, yeah.
Right. Was he like strong? Like, what age you'd have say if you were to estimate the age? Like,
I'd say 50.
Right, a 50-year-old, tall, 6-something man or whatever. Wait, black or Asian or white or what? Like,
I couldn't tell.
You couldn't tell. You just know someone. So when him did hold you down?
Him couldn't hold me down.
Oh, when
you did hear what I said? I backhand the man.
You backhand him. So why you think him
Roger.
come for you? What about you making come for you?
I have no idea.
Can I ask
I don't
you?
know
Can
what.
it sounds like you're familiar with me, so you know when I'm not being rude, but just being,
Yes.
forthright. You still good, like you're unattractive, bro. Huh?
No, I'm not unattractive.
Well, you're being modest. Yeah, but you're being modest. Obviously, you're being modest. That means you have some significant pluses there that perhaps attracted the Duppy. Would you say?
I don't know what I have that attracted him, but I wasn't having it. That's all I can
You
say.
weren't having it. But no, that's what I'm trying to figure out sometimes when people give these accounts. Were you in your nightie or your pajamas, or were you just sleeping in skimpy garments, or what? What do you think prompted him to come for you?
I was sleeping in bra and underwear.
Oh, that might be it. That might be. Like what cotton on, like nice figure hugging cotton underwear or something like something comfortable. Yeah, that would do it. And you just shut him a back and box, no?
Reggae, he's not the first one, okay? When I was younger, I bought this is so wrong. I bought this used car from a white lady, and she said her dad died.
Yeah.
And that man came into my house. I had to get up and put him out in the dream.
Jesus God. You buy one used car from a white lady, and the car did belong to her father?
Mm-hmm.
And when you get the car and thing, the pooper come in and you so wait, I want to come back for your car and come for you.
It must have come from car because like I said, I'm not the person. So my spirit is a bit stronger when I'm sleeping. So anything come across me, machete, whatever it takes, just gonna get rid of them.
Right. No, but what you think him did come for? What you think the pooper did come for?
I think he was pissed because I had his car.
Oh, so I just a car and him never come for go on with nothing with you. I just a car and come for. Okay. But him out there, that's why you see them have all these rituals to send them on, to usher them out, because the idea is the way it was explained in our Jamaican culture. Yeah. After 3 days, you have to change up the furniture in your house. You have to have the 9 night because you have to send them off by the 9th night. That is what 9 night is for. Because you don't go through the ritual for send them off and them still dead up on the 10th night. Dog, you mess up, them go come pinch you up, and then if your woman try to jump up in your belly. That is how it was explained. Next thing you know, you hear. You ever hear them talk about Duppy breed woman in Jamaica and them have 13 months belly and them something there? You know about them something there?
No. I didn't know what the 9 night was for.
That is what
so
it's
when
for.
My mother So when my mother recently passed, I didn't lean up the mattress. I dreamt her in the room. I went in and told her, get out. Go downstairs with the rest of them.
What you say, you dream her in the room?
Yes, in her bed.
But let me ask you something. There are some people who believe that dreams are just memory, right? But in Jamaica, there is this standard thing, and this is all over. Like when somebody dead, them ask you, like when my mother did then, the amount of relatives come and say, Miss Cherry, dream you yet? Your mother dream you yet? Your mother dream you? So there's this thing, like if you have a relative or a husband or a wife or whatever, and them move, that them come back and dream you. My question to you is it not possible that it's just you having some memories of the person and think, why you think, say, is the person come back and dream you? Why you think so?
Wait a minute. Before you say that, my sister dreamt her in my house also. Except for a friend of my other sisters had done something to her. And when my sister saw her in the room, she called her, she disappeared. But when she turned back around, she was in the bed. And then the friend that did something to my sister came in and said, your mother just pissed on my back.
The friend will do something to your sister came in and said, your mother just what?
Pissed on her back. In the dream.
In the dream?
Yep.
Oh no, so the person is saying this in the dream?
Uh-huh.
No, so again, my question is, but anyway, before we get to it,
I know
though,
you don't believe it.
no, before
I know
we
you
get
don't
to
probably
it,
believe in
no,
all
before
stuff.
we get to it, though, but you can't see the, I've never heard of that, the mother defended that. I don't know how the mother, I can understand if them say one man Duppy piss on somebody back, but how the woman Duppy get up there for piss on her back, how that would have possible, no?
She must have been sleeping and she stood over. But you have to understand.
So when she asleep like that her mother go over her, when she asleep on her belly and piss on her back when she asleep, no?
But Roger, you have to understand. You have to understand who my mother was. When I was 20, there was something going on at my work, and my mother got dressed and got in the car to come down to defend him. Like, don't come down here.
Yeah.
She was one of them women that will fight for her kids at the drop of a dime, and she's still doing it in death.
But you still haven't explained to me, how the dream of the loved one who you lose. Anybody would think that if that person is so close to you, they are deeply embedded in your unconscious, which is the source of dreams, right? So how that translates to some sort of, it's a dream. It's not real, right? So some people have a little bit of difficulty in understanding why people interpret those dreams as, you might have come back and thing and whatever and so forth. Why is it not just a dream?
Telling you,
no.
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't believe it's just dream. It's just that your mother come back, and that you believe, right?
Listen, when my son died, I was in so much pain.
Mm-hmm.
He came back and hugged me. I was in and that helped relieve my pain. That could have been my imagination, but I dreamt he just hugged me. Okay?
When your son died, you were in so much pain, and your son came back and just hugged you, and that was comforting for you, right? It made you feel better when him come back and hug you, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what is important?
Again?
Yeah, what is important here from my perspective is you believe it, and it made you feel better, and you were able to cope with the grief better, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then that is what happened, darling. God, you know what you know, and that is what happened. And what is important here from my perspective as a trained helper, it's just a term we use in psychotherapy, is that helped you to cope with your grief and to to be able to go on and and to find strength in it, to know that on a spiritual level, your son, who was deceased at the time, and the pain that you felt from that loss was alleviated or decreased with your understanding that your son came back and hugged you. Okay.
Right. I was in therapy for a year and Vicodin for a year.
Right. Okay.
So something had to give.
There you go. And if that's what it is, that's what it is. And I make nobody tell you otherwise. All right? All right. Blessings, man.
Anyway.
I'm sorry?
Raga, you need to give me more. You need to give me more instructions on the. I went out to the site and I saw the trip thing, but where am I paying for all this? And I'm coming out of Baltimore, so I got to buy my own ticket from Baltimore.
All right. I would suggest that you do, but whenever I do my trips, right? The thing is, most of my trips are far. The ones that I do, it's the Thailand, the one that I've been doing, Thailand and Ghana. So in those trips, people who came up from Baltimore, from Maryland, and they come to New York and they flew with us on the group, We have people who come up from Florida and they flew with us. But those are long trips where we're going transatlantic. This one is different. We're going to Jamaica, and Jamaica is south. If you leave Baltimore, you're coming north first, and then you're going back south. So you're leaving Baltimore, you're coming up north, and then you're going to fly over back Baltimore to go to Jamaica. So there's the option there to just fly from Baltimore. Now, sometimes these airlines, they get tricky with it, believe it or not. So depending on what, the cost is for the ticket down there or whatever, it could be more cost effective to come up to New York and, from Baltimore and then fly down with us and just do the package thing with us and fly on the same flight. But I would think anything south of New York, and Baltimore just down the road, but I don't know. If you listen, anybody who want to fly from New York with us, fly from New York with us. And the other thing is that the flights are leaving in the morning. So they would have to come up and then in time to go catch a flight and things like that. So some people are coming the night before and then, catching the flight. So they're staying someplace in New York City and then they thing like that. So we could talk about it. Okay?
We need to talk about it.
Yes. Okay. You have the number, right?
Yes, I have the number.
516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. And Chumpy is right. Chumpy said, not really. Florida may be the cheapest in the South. And he's quite right. Because sometimes it can be more, even though Jamaica is south of Baltimore and Baltimore is south of New York, the flights are based on demand and availability of flights, the different airline, right? That is what dictates the price. And it can be more expensive to fly from Baltimore to Jamaica than it is from New York to Jamaica.
Okay.
Right?
I'll look at them and see.
Every year when we do the Ghana,
we'll talk about it.
Yeah, every year when we do the Ghana trip, right? You have people who, you have some people from California, right? And it would cost them less to fly 6-7 hours from a certain part, the Bay Area of California, come over and connect with the same plane where the rest of the group are go on. And the people who them connect with in New York, when them look on for them price more than the people who are come all the way from California.
Wow.
Yeah, so it can be weird with them, so you just have to check around and thing, Okay.
All
right, but we'll talk, all right?
All right, thank you.
And a pleasure talking to you. We had one of these stimulating, provocative discussion just now. Them type of thing. They were stir debate, I like that. I like them something there, big up yourself, here.
All right.
Blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, man. So anybody who come on the trip, just send me a text, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. And if you want to check out the trip, go to tamfamtravel.com, 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 tamfamtravel.com. And I'm really looking forward to this Jamaica trip, one of them people who love Jamaica, Jamaica nice, We could keep it 100. Jamaica nice, but you just have to have your money down there. You have to have your money in that country. You see, from money, I know your issue. Jamaica, nice. Right? I was reading this thing where them say, Jamaica are one of the happiest places in a. Who I call the number now? I want to feel call the number now and see me I do it sure. Want to feel call the number and see me I do it sure. Right? Want to write down the number and keep the number to yourself, man. And about call the number right, Right? Before me send one look a proverbial backcross on the jaw corner right through the phone and through the show. Don't play with me. Hello.
Hi, Raga, why are you so miserable?
Me don't know what to do, me I get old.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Raga.
Talk to me.
I was listening to that lady about the Duppy story, you see?
Yes.
And then I remembered when I was growing up in Jamaica, my grandmother on my father's side was always sick. So they always give me milk, cow's milk and other things to take to her house.
Right.
So she had loved me a lot. I was about 12, 13 years old, run about there, if I can recall correctly. So when she passed away, I didn't go there, or they didn't take me there.
Right.
So my father used to go to the market, Coronation Market, and then he come home on a Saturday night. So that Saturday night.
Wait. What parish were you?
Manchester.
So
Yes.
he will go down there and spend several days as usual when country people come in. But he will come back on the Saturday night after him.
Yes, they go in Wednesday night, come back Saturday night.
Exactly. Or
Then
Sunday morning,
then my brother, now the one I follow, used to go meet him at the shop where the truck would come and let the market people off.
Right.
So me and my sister was home, and my sister prepared dinner. It was almost night.
Yeah.
So I was the one carrying the food, dish by dish, whatever, in the house. You know, sometimes when you're lazy, you pack up all 3, 4 on top of one another.
Yes.
And put the cup them on top of it too.
Right.
So them door that opened 2 sides at the time.
Right.
So I went up the veranda and just used my foot and kick the door open. I just opened 2 sides and I looked straight into our room. Our room was behind the hall.
Right.
And I just saw a lady got up off the bed in a white sheet covered on. You could see the full shape of a woman.
Yeah.
And it was just me and my sister at home and my sister in the kitchen. So I went to put and Raga.
And you see the where you see the woman?
Come off the bed because I could look straight in our room. And I
what
just
she
see
did
the woman.
wear? What she did wear?
I only see the shape of the woman under the white sheet, covered down under the white sheet. Just get up and cover down under the white sheet.
So
you could see. And I dashed food and everything and ball out and away I went. And then my brother was at the neighbor because he went to call his friend to come with him to go meet my father. And then I ran back out to my sister and my brother heard the sound, they bawling and run from up the neighbor and come down there. And I'm telling them, I see one woman come off of the bed. And Raga, I could barely talk.
Wow.
And then the dog them started bark and rush around the house and everything. Now my brother walking around.
But you know, them say dog can't say Duppy though. You know,
right?
That
Yes.
dog can't say Duppy,
yes.
right? Yeah.
And my brother walk around the house and through the house. And guess what? When you go inside, the bed level like nothing never touch it.
Wow. So what you think of when them say go on, when them say did I go on this, you know?
They now believe that I am lying.
Oh.
Because the bed was level. They wanted to see the bed rumple up or pull up. Because I said the woman get up and she just cover her down her and I see the shape of the woman under it. I didn't know which woman, I only know it's a shape of a woman. All right. When they went for my father, now my father come and they tell him. My father say, yes, I'm a mama come look for her because me never carry her out there when my mama dead.
Your father said when time mother did dead, who did love you, right? You was one of our favorite grandpitney.
Yes.
Him never did carry you over there for do the, that ritual act or whatever.
So she come look for me.
So she come look for you and thing, and that your father says. So what you think about that? Well, of course you did believe that because that your parents have said, so you believe it. So you still believe it, no?
No, but hold on, let me end that story. Raga, you know what is the hurtful part of that?
What?
At the same bed me have to sleep on the night, you know.
Jesus and peace. You did sleep good? I did, auntie.
Me not think me sleep 1 minute that the night and me curl up like a ball. Oh, me free.
Jesus.
And from that, even when me going to school, guess me what me used to do? In the evening when we used to stop for common entrance exam, but that time you say scholarship exam.
Yeah.
When me stop at evening class now and to go home and it does up, me afraid say me I go see the woman, so me carry one piece of knife in my book.
You can't look a piece of knife if fight off Duppy.
Right.
No, but knife can't do Duppy nothing.
No, but rather
you never know. Poor thing, you never know. Knife can't do Duppy nothing.
Knife can't do we wouldn't know them time there.
Yeah.
Yes. So people say Duppy not real, but even the Bible tell about the ghosts. And if you believe the Bible, you don't say Duppy not real.
No. Well, that is my argument to the Christian. The Bible speak of evil spirit, demons, and things like that, right?
Yeah.
Right. This is my logic with this.
Yeah.
When you tell the Christian, I don't believe in Duppy, this is what I always ask the Christian. So you believe in God, right? And say, yeah. So I said, then if you believe in God, you must necessarily believe in the existence of Satan, right? And then them realize and them say, yeah. So I said, then if God have spiritual followers, the angel Michael, the angel Gabriel, angels and whatever, this and that, and then the Bible talk about the devil followers, demons, evil spirits, and whatever, and it get deep. I don't know if you know about incubus and succubus and them something.
Yeah.
Right. So I say, so then if God, if you believe in a God, and God tell you about the angel them, God tell you about the devil, God tell you about the evil spirit them. Some say evil spirit exists. Right? Some say evil spirit exists, right? Boom, boom, boom. All right. We have heard many stories in the Bible of different forms of reincarnation where the spirit, I mean, the ultimate one is Jesus being raised on the third day and whatever. So what I'm saying is, if you believe in, those form of spiritual entities from reincarnation on the positive side, then you can't deny it on the negative side also.
All right. Because it exists. It does exist.
No, but you see, when you say to them, say, if you believe in a God, you have to believe in a Duppy. Because but then when you work it out and them say, oh, I never think about it that way, and I'm saying there's a lot of things when I don't think about.
Because people self-righteous too much.
Them just program with one little thing and them just compartmentalize their faith. That is what they do, you know? And they don't take their beliefs or their faith in something to its logical conclusion in other areas, but them just stay in them space where them comfortable. Right? And them just stay right there, so. And then when you carry them, say, no, but if you believe in this, then me not say if you believe in it over here, so, but you can't say that no exists. You can't say it exists, right? All right, then, good.
It's just like somebody would say, nothing of them in devil or God may believe in that. What you mean?
That don't make any sense. That don't make any sense.
No, you see, there's too self-righteous, that's why.
Oh, you're going to say you don't believe, but them I blame Satan and I blame the devil and whatever. And but them believe in a God, and a God tell him, send him have to run the devil out of heaven and send him go down. Let me tell you a story. Let me show you how the application of these things can be. Them a real world implication. When I was a lecturer at the University of the West Indies, them did have one theater. We're turning a church right across from the Mona Reservoir before it developed now, right?
Yeah.
And then you did have some people used to sell food. Them have a look at food thing, cook food, all this, right? So me always love to support people in the street and thing or whatever. And I stop there and buy food one time. And when I buy food, one man, you have one road where leave. I don't know, if you follow me on Mona Reservoir, they have something named the Aqueduct, where they did about for a long time, where the water run in and them something. So you have one road or run beside it, and him sit down way over there, so on the side of the road, pan one paint pan. And him dirty and real dirty, and him just sit down over there and him foot dirty and whatever. But me there over the foods or whatever, right? So and him over there sit down and him say, Ragashanti, come here. Now, when him call me never going up because being who I am, me just used to people always want to take something off of me. You see what I mean?
Okay, yeah.
And then me didn't have a pet peeve. The people them who you gotta ask me for something, but you call me and me must come to you.
Yes.
So me did have a little problem. So when he call me get cross. Come here, say, cause my assumption is something he want to take from me. I mean, I don't know why, but the spirit just say, go over there. I'm say, all right, may I come? I'm going to get my food. I'm going to walk go all the way over when he call me. Still sit down pan him paint pan when he dirty say. And him say, good afternoon, Raga. I'm say, good afternoon. Him say, Raga, you believe in a God? I'm going to say, yeah, I was raised to believe in God. So I might not believe in God the white man way, whatever.
Yes,
but, but I say, I was raised to believe in God. So him say, you believe in a Satan too. So I say, no, I don't believe in a Satan, but I say, if God exists, Satan exists.
Yes, because there's good and evil.
Right. And him say, but me not believe in him, but yeah, the devil
You believe
exists.
that he's there.
Right, so Satan exists. And him hold on him head look a bit. And you could just see this man is deep in thought. He might go through some form of tribulation, you know.
Yes. Yeah.
And him said to him, you know, so you believe, say, where God say him throw Satan out of heaven, though.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, well, God not tell lie.
Mm-hmm.
So God really. And then the man said to me, Raga, if Satan did a behave in some way up there, where God find it necessary for throw him out, if God couldn't deal with him up there, that him have to throw him out, we expect we if we do down here with him now. Listen to me now. And you know, at that moment, you know, it was because I've had several of these moments of epiphany, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm saying at that moment, that little man right there, whatever he might go through in life, he might meet it, you know, man.
Yes.
Dirty and whatever and this and that and whatever. Sit down pan him paint pan on the side of the road. Anybody would have passed that man and just think, you know, that man,
Yes, just fan him off and gone. Yeah.
But this man, his identity and thing, him reach some stage of life where he might try understand why him there go through what he might go through, you know.
Yes.
Based on everything that was taught to him, based on when them teach him,
Yes.
based on him living in a post-colonial society with all these ambiguities and contradictions associated with religion, theology, spirituality, the concept of God, Europe, Jamaica, black man, white people, and this and that. And the whole light come down upon him, you know, and this man I said, this shit don't make any sense.
Yes.
And it's a deeply philosophical, like, introspection, you know, because he's having this existential crisis, you know. Why?
Yes, yes.
Like, and he need clarity. There's no logic to it.
He need clarity. He need clarity.
Why would God, the omnipotent, the all-powerful, you know, whatever, you decide, say, whatever, for whatever reason, he's trying to reconcile this.
You don't want him up there, sir.
No, but the logic is, but if God really so and so and so, why you send him down here upon we if you know, say, you know, you never want him up there because
maybe because he said he give us power to tread upon scorpions and serpents.
No, them have all kind of explanation. The whole you have the whole free will concept or whatever thing. But once you get into that, and then man I get in that because there's all kind of intellectual dances that we can engage in there or whatever this and that. Like, you know.
Can take we around the car, down the car, around the bend.
No, the way them explain God, because even with the free will thing, right?
Yes.
So even with the free will thing, so okay, so God knows when the woman did cross the road with St. Thomas with her tree picnic them, so God didn't know she had exercised free will across at that time and knows her tree picnic them did go dead, correct? When you confront them with stuff like that, they're like, you know, them, you know,
right, yes.
But we're not going there. We're not going there.
I get it.
But you understand them? I say, so God didn't know the woman who is so desperate and thing and go to shop to buy food and whatever, and the home sweet home lamb turn over and burn up. Our kids, and these are real things, man. Tell about.
I know things like that. Just like I asked a pastor once.
Right.
I said, sir, I think you know more. You understand the Bible more than I do. Tell me. Why God so loving and kind and merciful allow children to be brutally killed?
Yeah, well, and then we could spend forever on him. I mean, that Pandora's box now. But I just say, at that moment, that little man right there, right? That was a deeply philosophical, it was an intellectual conundrum right there.
Yes.
You know, and it is directly relevant to who we are.
Yes.
You know, how we were raised. And it was profound for me. I was raised in a Christian home.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I was raised in a Christian home and me believing in heaven and hell and the rap. Everything and whatever. Yeah. So, you know, those are little moments when we look back on them, you know, and things. Some of them when we look back on, some of them when we experience as adults, like, you know, just really profound, you know?
Yes, definitely.
Make you think certain way and whatever, make you move away from this thing where have faith. Faith you know, faith in a way where you don't question evidence, you know,
Right,
and
yes.
things like that, what I don't really necessarily subscribe to. But true, my goal is not to take people out of them comfort zone. No. The people have them worldview or work for them, and me respect that. You understand?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
and me have mine will work for me. You know, me juggle with my thing and whatever.
Right, definitely. It's
Interesting.
just, I'm gonna say this one thing before you go. It's just like recently I was dancing to Jimmy Cliff's song.
Yeah.
Many rivers to cross.
Yeah.
And I'm, singing it and rocking to it. I'm not a singer, but I sing how I can sing and I rap to it. And one lady say, say I'm a Christian again. I say, why you say that? She said, oh, yeah, dance to Jimmy Cliff's song. I said, look here, when David and dance before God make it doing ding-a-ling, God never kill him. Then when people kill me if you sing many rivers to cross. and God said David was a man of his own heart. So when I kill me,
that is another issue. But you have these Christians out there, you see, their thing, the way they are Christian, the way them operationalize Christian, is to come up with all these condemnation and focus and think on people who in a Jamaica and it's a worldly and from the secular world and things like
that's
that.
why I tell them, say that's why our life so boring because I think I'm getting grace in our bedroom and God know that's in our bedroom.
And for them thing is, them get up every day and it's a proof so they're more Christian than anybody else.
More holy and righteous, self-righteousness,
And you know what is funny? The doctrine from the person who it came from, he wasn't about that, He was about he was about self-empowerment. He was about self-actualization with a personal relationship with God, right? And pour them the notes enough of what them espouse and thing. And it come right from the irony, with all this something,
Everything come from there, right
there. No, the irony with all this something, enough of the things them where them people are live by, right?
Yes.
There is two things where them not understand. Most of the New Testament was written by Paul.
Yes.
Right?
Uncle Paul.
Of the New Testament was written by Paul.
Uncle Paul.
Right. Well, Paul was aligned with the Romans. Paul was an intellectual and him, from the family and spoke Greek or whatever this, and he was aligned with the Romans, right? Most of the New Testament books were written by him.
Yes.
Him say Jesus.
Yes.
And it's him alone say it, not it's just him come out and say him say Jesus, which gave him instant validity for what him says. So him never know Jesus, him never meet Jesus and whatever. Not only that, the people who did closer to Jesus and par with Jesus, namely James, Jesus' brother, never get along with Paul. And did consider Paul to be preaching false doctrine, right?
Yes.
So most people follow what Paul say,
Yes.
without knowing that the persons who did a role with Jesus and who was also known as Jesus' brother, James, and one of them forgot. Them did a condemn Paul. Right? Them never get along with Paul. That's the first. The second thing is, and this is the irony of all irony. The Bible as we know it right now, you know it. Jesus used to speak with Aramaic, right? Judea, Aramaic.
Yes.
Spoken in Ethiopia right now. Translated to Hebrew, put in a Hebrew, then the Greek, and then King James put it in a this and that.
Because it's translate and transliterate, so.
But the Bible, the one where we know right now, is the Bible that was curated, edited, fixed down by the 300 bishops, designated by emperor, by the Roman emperor, who did say, we are lose these people and we need them to come back, come under. We need to control them because that is the objective of your power, right?
Yes.
So the same people who killed Jesus, right?
Yes.
The same people who killed Jesus is the same people who approve the book where people use for praise Jesus.
Amen. Yes. And yet the same people them who killed Jesus, they are the ones he called his chosen people.
No, but don't even go there so because that politics there, whatever. I see it a play out and a be a problem out there, right?
Yeah,
But
we're
anyway,
gonna open a
yeah,
Pandora
man,
box.
yeah. Big up yourself here.
Second time this me talk to you, Raga. I know the first time I talked to you I'm from about 2014. At them time there.
You
Long time.
see it, you go like you never want to chat to me again and look there.
No, you know, so enough time me I watch you. Yeah, man,
God
if you look me,
God
see me
send
there
you
sometime, but me not say nothing.
Well, I know God send you right back here and look how it was we are chat again.
Right, like we are chat every day.
Yeah, like we are chat every day. No. All right, bless up yourself.
Yeah, man, you too.
Yeah, man,
right,
respect,
cool.
man. Cool.
Yeah.
Now, listen to me now. Me just want to remind you, because some people come after and think, so me just want to remind you, of the big dirty lie where them out there tell, pan the Jamaican man them, and, pan the Jamaican man them and think. What happened here, man? Come on, man. What happened here?
Every American woman that has been with Jamaican men claim those men have eaten below the waist.
Them a lion.
Yet every Jamaican man claims they have never eaten below the waist.
Never.
Somebody's lying. This is my true story. I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise. She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the booze cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubt in my mind she wanted the stabbing, but she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese, but I'm not no rat. And I love kitty, but not like that. So I said, lady, let me tell you this fact. I'm a Jamaican man and we don't do that. She said, that's the biggest lie told in her face. All Jamaican men she met ate below the waist. Somebody's lying. I don't know who. Tell me, Jamaican men, could it be you? Somebody's lying. I don't know who. American women, it must be you. Met a New York shorty down in Miami Beach. Said she love yard vibes and the way we speak. She used to date a reggae artist from Spanish Town. He always went below, he never turned her down. And if you're wondering who could it be, he had a big hit song in 2023. He even clashed so-and-so over so-and-so. Straight bad boy artist, but regular him bow. She said every Jamaican she ever embraced. Start up top and head south of the waist. Somebody's American women, it must be you. I met at Georgia Beach, down in the ATL. Face pretty like money and the body build well. She wants to take me home so I could lick her down. I almost get a big stone and lick her down. I said, Jamaican men don't play those games. She said, oh boy, you got to stop playing. She said she wants to stay in Ocho Rios, where a Jamaican man eat time for Ocho Dias. Benny cried like a baby when she said adios. He's gonna miss him eating the kitty cause it's so delicious. I said it must have been an Haitian, cause it's not one of us. Somebody's lying, I don't know who. Must be you.
A man said the American woman them a tell a lie. I can't, and a Jamaican man them a tell a lie. People, when me used to do my show in Jamaica, you know, make anybody tell you, you know, we used to do Mixup and Blenda show, you know, all over the country, you know. And one I think we used to love do, you know, it's funny, you know, there's a question I ask, and I never ever yet have to say what it is. Everybody just know what me I ask. Right? 2 questions, you know. But me never ever have to say what it is, you know, but them always know. So me just go up on the stage and me say, ladies, all I want to know who have had a man do it to you even one time. Put up your hand. And that me just, you know, ladies, all I want to know who have had a man do it to you even one time. Put up your hand. And what are the woman? All right, put on the hand now. Put on the hand. Men, all I want to know who do it at least one time. Put up on the hand. No, I no go up in there. Somebody I tell lies. Some lie I tell. Yo, is either the woman never tell lie and the man never tell lies. Somebody I tell lies. Somebody I tell a lie right this. So we not have somebody I tell a lie. Watch it right. I juggle, we are juggling. Ragashanti live on the app, you know, and on Facebook and thing. You know, bigger proof, big up in a larger proof, larger all these things. Everything is everything. We is our day here. Bound to kill attack. On the know the levels. Watch the right. Hello. Kia, what you? So what Kia hang up for? Kia, what you hang up for? Eh? Kia, you never want to talk to me? Kia, you never want to talk to me, Kia? I wonder if Kia knows that she hang up. Somebody said the Duppy box off, Kia. Somebody. What it? Hold on there. Oh, see it here. Yo, I want to go and look like Kia get back out a while ago. Duppy back out, Kia out I sitting, man. Oh, she a Kia so it go sometime, you get back out, you know. Somebody's lying. Who I tell lie? The American woman, them a tell lie for the Jamaican.
Lying.
No, the American woman, them a tell lie for the Jamaican man. Them need to stop it. Them need to stop it. Them are wicked. Them American woman, them a tell lie. Why sometimes Angela come and fear thing just blow up a chat? So I don't understand why some people think do that in a chat. When them go, them a share the live. It's like it just blow up a chat. Hey, what go on?
Anyway, Raga, I would like to say, if a Duppy come to sort me out,
yeah,
me ready for him.
What you mean? You gonna run it on him?
Of course.
Why you gonna give him?
He certainly is not gonna be a one-timer. He's not gonna be a one-pop.
What you mean? Why?
He's not gonna be a one-pop.
Why you gonna make the Duppy start you?
Well, I mean, if he's coming to sort me out, why would I refuse?
No, but you're not afraid they're not Duppy. You know the ladies them say Duppy.
Have you ever had one of those dreams where you feel like you're doing something in your dream?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Okay.
And them nice, you see.
Isn't that one of the sweetest? Come on now. Come on now.
So we'll learn. So if a Duppy start you, then
so if I'm actually dreaming that it's happening,
right?
And
no. I'm not asking if your dream say you have it. If you know say a Duppy start you out and thing and it feel good, you don't wind it up on it and curl it up on it and get
quint it and all of that stuff.
My lad. We don't stop. We not going with the something them and thing and enjoy yourself.
If I tell you, sometimes I think I feel myself doing it but just, when I have those dreams. So you can imagine a Duppy. I just imagine.
Wow. So you don't fling it up on him though. Fling it up on the left. Fling it up on the right. Yeah, fling it up.
I'd rather, you know what I always wanted to know?
Yeah.
These people who say they wear red underwear
because their spouse, they think their spouse is going to come and visit them.
Yeah.
Half of the time, I have an aunt whose husband passed away, unfortunately.
Yeah.
And she's going to wear an underwear for like a year. That man probably wasn't even getting up when he was up. When he was alive. What?
What is it? If his body did dead, before
it was dead when he was. So now he's gonna come alive when you're dead? Like, I never get it.
Yeah, so that is interesting. It doesn't come alive when you're dead. When you're dead,
exactly.
When you're dead,
when he was alive, it was dead, and now he's dead, he's alive. Like.
No, that bad. So when him alive, him body dead, and when him dead, him body alive.
Anybody alive?
Listen to me, the matter.
Listen to me.
No. We have a bit of a conundrum there, don't we? Yeah.
Certainly,
right?
certainly.
Yeah, because
I just never get it. Never get it. Well, you know what? I don't have a spouse that died, but if I had a spouse that died, I would not wear any underwear for a year. Make him come.
Make him come.
Make him come. We both will be coming.
When you say when you say make him come, you say you both will be coming, don't?
We both.
So like someone knows so when the Duppy had whatever, and then I'm not gonna make the Duppy come in and them two and them something, eh?
Well, hello.
So you say if a Duppy ever start you can wind it up on him and thing like that. So
absolutely.
Say you gonna make a Duppy pop off, you know?
We're gonna do everything. We might as well.
You're gonna do everything and whatever.
I'm gonna let him do the things that the Jamaicans don't want to admit to too. You know, that stuff.
You don't make a Duppy swipe, yeah?
Why not? He's gonna have a stiff tongue. Hello.
No, sir. No, that spiritual tongue there. That spiritual tongue there. To have a different type of thing to it, though.
Yes.
Sidebar, though, may I ask you something, though? You are the right person for asking. You ever dream saying you and somebody are sort out, right? And it's good and awesome. And then when you wake up, you're like, what the? Because you don't have no feeling like that for the person. You don't see them like that at all or whatever, but you're dreaming.
I'm not sure if I've had one of those.
You never had one of those?
Where the person is not somebody that I would have wanted to.
No, yeah, because I've had those. But I said, I've had dreams where me and somebody are shell out and whatever, like somebody who me know. I may never look on her like that. I would never look on her like that, but me just dream.
Subconsciously, Raga.
No, me just know, not even subconscious. Not even subconscious. And you know, I'm aware of, me kind of have some kind of, but me just not see the
dreams are weird. I don't know.
But they do have instances of those where you have suppressed attraction,
Correct.
And suppressed attraction in a way where you yourself, it is so suppressed that you yourself believe it's non-existent.
Right.
Right? But it's there. And the thing is, once you're in REM sleep, that is a time when you don't have conscious control. You don't have conscious thoughts. So you don't have conscious control. Right. So one of the reasoning here is that when you're dreaming, that's when you're most honest.
Oh wow. Kind of like when you're drunk, no inhibitions.
Kind of like that. When you're drunk, there's two things that goes on there. One is you become a little bit freer from societal restraints. So things that say you shouldn't do so and so and so. When you're under your liquor, you're less.
It comes out.
Yeah, you don't whatever, thing like that. And then when you're drunk too, they have that state too, where what in you really come out. That's why them say sometimes when people
drunken man tells the truth.
Yeah, that's why them say when whatever you hear people say, and even when them sober, them I say, no man, I become the drunk. Them say that. Them say don't pay that any attention.
No,
Whatever
no.
come out,
I do believe
it
that
was
when
there.
they drink,
It was
yes,
there.
that
Yeah,
stuff comes
it
out.
was there. It was
Yeah.
there. It was there.
It was there all along.
It was there. It was there all along. That's why people who, all right, you have people who say, they will get mad and say the meanest things, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then when you talk to them about it, them say, no, me never mean it, me they just mad. And then I would say to people like that, I mean, I don't do that now, I just recognize what you say and me keep it to myself and know what is what.
Right.
But you know, back in the day when people would do that, so me would say to them, say, oh, so if you say you get mad and kill, you will kill your children then right? So you don't mean it. Oh, I would never say that. Even when you're mad, no, we never say that. Oh, so there's some things you would just never say, no care how mad you get.
Oh.
So, I mean, I don't even explain. I don't even apply that logic to him. I just hear what you say when you're mad, and I just know saying them. Because me know say when the cure upset me get. Me know me. You say how some things where you confide in me. You say some things where you share with me and confide in me. I would never touch those.
Right.
Right. Never. All when me and you, we not chat again and all them something there. Them something they secret. It's not for me even go there, go say nothing about them thing there. You understand what I say? Principle.
I
you understand? So you see, if
I am that way too.
Yeah, so you see, if you have some things where you know you would never say when you get mad, but somehow you feel comfortable, I say them things that to me when you get mad, me not ignore it and say, you never mean it because you didn't mad it.
Right,
You know,
I think the person meant it.
Yeah, they mean it.
I think it comes out, yes.
Yeah, it's in them.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I have to know that. Because by the same token, I've been, around people and whatever, who not care how mad them get, them not cross certain lines.
Right.
Never.
Right.
And them people like you know, them whatever, and you think and you respect that. So the ones that will cross certain lines, they're not gonna tell about a true me.
I think they always had it in them to do it. They just
right.
That was the right opportunity for them too.
Particularly those people who, when them get mad, their thing is the maximum effort is to cause you as much harm as possible.
Right.
Those people, you see them people, and then I'm going to tell you when them cool down or say whatever, but if when them get mad, for them thing is to tell you the thing for hurt you, the worst thing. That is inside of you. That is who you are.
They meant it.
And that is how you see me. Right?
Yep.
Particularly, and the other thing when you catch a woman with, oh, me didn't matter and whatever, boom, 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 boom. You have all this problem with your boss or your supervisor or this woman or whatever. Would you ever say that to them? No.
No.
Oh.
Aha.
So you control yourself at work with your boss.
Duppy know who to frighten, right?
But you don't want to control yourself with your man.
Right.
And then you have these women now, them would do these things. I mean, as a man, me just attack as a woman, me date or whatever, but me sure man do it too. And whatever, them will come with this thing as if they say, why? Me love him because only him can put up with my foolishness. Like, who the fuck? Like, why do you think that is a flex or that is something good?
Right.
You know, say, you are going with arms house and whatever. And you're going to love somebody who put up with that. So you're not making no effort for stop doing that to the person who you claim say you care about.
That person's going to get to a point where they're not going to be able to put up with you anymore.
But somehow you're going to love that person because other person that put up with that dysfunction that is causing harm, psychological harm to that person who you claim say you love. Or you love them because when you cause harm to them, then put up with it. Like, right. I dare a woman to come tell me shit like that.
I think that person would get to a point where they can't do with it anymore. They can't deal with it anymore. And then they'll probably just end up leaving.
Well, some do, but unfortunately, some stay in.
Some don't.
Some people are comfortable in that type of dysfunction. No, you have people who are comfortable with people who are abusive to them, and feel strange and out of place if they meet somebody who treat them good.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. Used to is a hell of a thing. You have people who are comfortable with the pain where them used to, as opposed to being uncomfortable with the opposite of good treatment and things like
Good
that.
treatment. So when good treatment comes along, they don't know how to handle
and
it.
it gets even worse with the people who are comfortable with dysfunction and abuse and get up every day and complain about it like them want to get out of it, you know? And then we meet somebody and I talk about the dysfunction and the abuse where them not like, but them not leave it, you know? And then have this person now who them meet in a one space where them end up take them for granted, not treat them good, not this and that and whatever and thing like that. And before you know it, you're on this kind of dysfunctional trajectory with them too. You know? So you have to recognize them people and just say, yo, this and them there, you know, and you don't try to change them, leave them alone, keep it moving.
Right. Second thing, Raga, I'm going to be in Jamaica, supposed to be in Jamaica around the time that you guys are going. Well, I'm going a little bit later, so unfortunately I won't be able to join you guys, but I would love to.
Right.
I'm supposed to be going on there like around the 29th or 30th.
Of what, August? My aunt
is celebrating July.
Of July, okay.
Yeah, my aunt is celebrating her 80th birthday, one of my aunts.
Well, we're going to be there from the 25th to the 3rd.
Oh, geez. We have so much to do on my side of town. I'm going to be in Manchester.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll see. I'll see how that works out.
Let me see how it works. All right. I'll say all right, man.
All right, Raga. Nice talking to you. And send a Duppy if you happen to be chanting tonight and, you know, you encounter a Duppy. Send him my way.
No, you got to be careful because I can turn into a Duppy, you know, and I travel as a Duppy, you know, so you better be careful. And I turn up at your door and I'm like, well, here I am, floating
come in,
over.
Raga, come on in.
Up, coming down here.
Come on in, Raga.
All right, boo boo, big up yourself.
All right,
Dear.
good
Blessings,
night. All
man.
right,
Cool,
take care.
cool, cool,
Bye-bye.
cool. Right to that 9:30, almost 9:30 already. Kimberly said she would have never wake up. Oh, that can be a good thing. She can't. I think I diss Kimberly, I diss me, you know. I think I diss Kimberly, I diss me, but that can be like, you know. I think, because Kimberly, I said she would have never wake up. So I think I diss Kimberly, I diss me, you know. But when you pre it, you know. She couldn't give me ratings this, so, you know. Right? In Kimberly, you know, say Kimberly I laugh now, right? She love laughing. Yeah, because you said appearing as a Duppy, though. God. Oh, by the way, all I want to over here TikTok, if you not follow me right now, if you not follow me yet, follow me now. All I want to over here TikTok, if you not follow me yet, follow me now. Bernardine, what go on? See it, Bernardine say, if it's not in you, it can't come out of you. I fully endorse that with the people who are talk about, but never mean it and thing and whatever. Listen to me. I've met many people in my life and whatever who just never cross certain line with me, whatever. No matter what I go on, you never hear them violate certain way. And in the strongest of conflict and whatever, them just know say, you know, violate with certain things. And I tell you no one for doing, you know. I just I say, if you and somebody close, I want to have conflict, and in the midst of the conflict, them emotions and things lead them to say things or do things designed to exact maximum hurt on you when they're mad. And then when them not angry again, them are going to tell us that them never mean it because them didn't mad. Where Bernardine say, me agree. Bernardine is over YouTube. Me agree with that. I fully endorse it. Concise to the point. If it's not in you, it can never come out of you. If it not dead, it just not dead. But if it come out of you, it in you. And when me see people do them something, I just stay in my life for me there, and people my age, them tend to be like this too. We just observe them something there. That's it. We don't even get mad. We don't even hate the person. We just recognize that's who you are, that's where you are, and we adjust accordingly. You can't come tell me, boy, you never mean it. If it never in you, it will not come out. Bam, 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 bam. What you right? There's some people in our box and thing, but subscribers, do remember, so this Friday we have movie night, 8 o'clock. Subscribers, Big Yard subscribers. Hello. Hello. Hello.
You will call me. You will call me live.
Eh, Wagwan, you never mean for come up. Sunshine. Sunshine. You not talk.
You will call me.
Then I'm talk to you, but you not respond. All right, you not talk.
We can't say we know.
All right.
We don't think they will call me, you know. Raga.
All right. People do remember, subscribers over Big Yard, those supporting Ragashanti, those supporting TamFam as subscribers, paying subscribers. Do remember we have a movie night this Friday night, all right? Tomorrow I'm going to send out the Zoom link for the Big Yard Zoom. For those of you who don't know, you can join my community. You can join for free. It's called tamfamyard.com, tamfambigyard.com or tamfamyard.com, right? You have to go in your browser. I'm getting the app made as we speak, but you have to go in the browser for now. Just go in your browser and put in tamfamyard.com, and you can join for free, right? Because this Sunday, for everybody over there, we have about 1,000 people over there right now. We're having this Sunday, we're having the second edition of the Big Yard Sunday Dinner Cook-Off. The first one was awesome and thing. This one here come up this Sunday. The people, them are gear up, them are going to cook them food, and them going to post them food. Food are going to start post from about 1, 2 o'clock, and then we're going to come online around 5, 6 o'clock and thing, and go on with ourselves and sit now again. This Sunday, the Big Yard Sunday Dinner Cook-Off for all a Big Yard. If you're not joining it, you need to go over there and join right now. Ragashanti TamFam community, beer vibes over there. We have some things that come up. We're going to have a look at song competition. You sing your song, right? We're going to have data come up. We're going to have skit stuff that come up and thing. And that is, for everybody. Those are some of them activities days for everybody. So again, this Sunday, if you're not joining it, make sure you join. You can join for free. You can join for free. Okay? So just go over tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com. Big Yard is up. I put it up back last night. And join. tamfamyard.com, and you can join our community over there. It's nice. You can send friend requests. You can make friends. It's a nice place to meet friends, form groups and things, and do different things over there. You can send instant messages, texts, audio or video messages private to people over there. It's a community, right? It's Ragashanti TamFam Big Yard community. So go to tamfamyard.com and join. And this Sunday, again, we're having the second edition of the Big Yard Sunday Dinner Cook-Off Bernadine not go cook anything. She's in Canada. Most Canadians, they can't cook properly, so she not go present anything. We understand that, so we not have to beat her with that and whatever. We know that, there's a lot of things Canadians cannot do well. We understand that, so we don't need to beat them about it and things. So Bernadine Bowen, she's in Canada, she over YouTube, and she not go post nothing. But big up all of the people who did post them food in the last one, and we're looking forward to. She said, I own that. I can't cook, sir. I own it. And I'm so looking forward to this one this Sunday. I don't know, I say team, big beer. Big beer. Don't flap my show, dog. Big beer, don't flap my show, my G. You have to just come out strong and beat Christina and bust the ANC them head, right? So everybody, all who want cook on a Sunday dinner and just post it over Big Yard, all right? Post it over Big Yard and thing. And then we have fun. We're going to check them out and thing. And make them out water over some good food. Do remember also, make your thing stand out with creativity and imagination, cook an unusual meal, do something creative with your presentation and thing and whatever, and make it interesting, put a little twist to it, make us see a meal like, wow, this is, you know what I'm saying? So we're looking forward to that this Sunday, okay? We're looking forward to that this Sunday over Big Yard. And separate from that, to the subscribers, the paid subscribers, this Friday, not this Sunday, we have a movie night at 8 o'clock. All right, and it's on Zoom, and we're going to have our Zoom. You're going to come up in Zoom, and you are free to turn on your camera or turn off your camera, whatever makes you comfortable. Turn on your camera, turn off your camera, turn on your audio, turn on your. But again, this is just for subscribers who are paying. Right, we're going to have a subscriber movie night, right? So if you want to be a subscriber, you can subscribe over there, over Big Yard, tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com. Not only be a subscriber, but again, you're going to be entitled to a whole bunch of things that we're onboarding and things, right? I'm finishing up the TamFam TV. Want to know about outer order radio and thing and whatever. I seal up them there and thing and whatever. I'm still upon them there and whatever. There's more work than I thought, I tried putting Big Yard on the TamFam word. One piece of programming conflict come up with the two database. Them. I don't need to be bored with them, something they do. But anything, I have to just bring it back over and then I figure out, But I put in the work, I set that thing, because when anything set, I will say content, and build my community, and build, our thing, so we can enjoy our content and things. So I just want to say big respect to all who support me. And thing in that regard, I want to say enough respect to all who support me in that regard. We give thanks. All of the subscribers, them, right? I spend more on this thing now than whatever come in, but I'm in it for the long game, right? I'm in it for the long game, so. And I'm just trying to have a business doing what I love, right? And providing a service and a product to people who appreciate this and can enjoy what I do, okay? So that I put together. So it's tamfamyard.com. And again, for the subscribers, they have their exclusive content and services. And one of those is this Friday, okay? The movie. We're going to watch an old movie. We're going to start with the classic Jamaican movies then for movie night and thing. I was still going to Outer Order too, or whatever. So this Friday we're going to watch Smile Orange, right? Smile Orange is way back in the 70s, Carl Bradshaw, whatever. It's a Jamaican classic and thing. So as we watch it, I don't want you to watch it with 2026 sensibilities, right? Watch it that Jamaica, developing country, produced a movie back in the 70s, which was a big, me was picnic, but it was a big deal. Smile Orange did run the place, man. The adults just a talk about it. So we have to watch that and just have fun with that, right? Then we have other movies we're going to watch, for movie night. We have The Harder They Come, that's coming up. We have Countryman, that's coming up. We're going to even watch Shoutouts, And any other movie we want to recommend, particularly from the Caribbean space. We're also going to watch some of them African movies there, whatever. Because, you know, the African movie craze, but it sweep Jamaica. I never watched any of them, you know. Not even one. Not even one. With all those years when them African movie, they shell down the place and Jamaicans were just so obsessed with them and whatever. I not even one of them I watch. So we are going to watch some of them there too. As, you know, subscriber movie night and eat with popcorn and see some people on video who we never see before and all these things. And what? Hello?
Raga.
Yeah.
I divorced my husband because he called me out my name. I told him, I said, there's no way in hell that tongue can tell me it loves me. I walked away. No, you can't do that.
You divorced your husband because what?
I walked away. I divorced him.
Because what? You divorced him because what?
He called me out my name.
Him called you? He called
you said.
Him called you a bad.
Cursed me out.
Yeah.
The man called me a black. It was an American man.
Right.
A stinking black dirty bitch. I said to him, "Don't say another word. Don't open your mouth anymore. That's it." I said, "We will never talk again." And I filed for a divorce.
You know, I'm not tell people what to do or whatever, you know, but that no, that's a deal breaker for me right there. Because my question is, no matter what you and him go through or whatever, I mean know what him think of you. That's harsh. I don't know, you know, can you have some people say, no, you can't forgive people and whatever. I don't know. It's like,
no, you can't.
If a man said that to him, woman and whatever, it's like, no.
Brother, you cannot do that. They will walk on you. My people look at me and say I'm wrong because once you do something to me, I walk away because I'm a true believer, and if I walk backwards, I'm a step in shit. So I don't do it.
Well, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say once you do something because there's some things they can't forgive. I'm just saying with something like that, if somebody say you walk away and I go say, them don't know why you never forgive or whatever, or if some church people tell you say it's a marriage, you should have so and so. You're not understanding shit right now. You know what I'm saying? What is it can exist inside of you for you and your husband argue and him will call you a black dirty bitch? Like, seriously? Like that inside of you?
Let me give you some background. He was American. He had a sister that married a Jamaican, and he's telling all Jamaican women are bad. So I was working a part-time job because I wanted some extra money to do something with. And I came home, and he said, "Where's the money you work?" I said, "In my pocket." Can he have it? I'm like, "I'm not working for you. You work for you, I work for me. You work and buy your cars, I work to save and do things I need to do." So when I told him no, he came out his mouth like that. I'm like, okay. I said, "Don't you ever open your mouth and speak to me again." I said, "I'm done." I walked away. Because you cannot tell me that same tongue is going to tell me you love me. Nope.
No. I guess my thing is, again, I don't know what was going on there. I'm just being straight up. I don't know what was going on there. I mean, I know theme side or whatever, but if somebody said that, if him said that to you, in my humble opinion, and I'm not the smartest person ever, he has absolutely no respect for you. None. Yep. And no relationship can work with that level of respect absence.
That's the last time we had a conversation.
Yeah.
I'm like, nope. Talk to me lawyer.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for sharing that. All right.
All right.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool. Munchie Bridge is a third world cop. Yeah, we can watch that too. I'm glad yesterday when I tell me about the African movies them for what, because I don't know them, you know. I don't know them, but I know it's someone who know Nakita, you know, the ANC, she knows some of them, you know. And things. So when I tell me about Blood Sisters, you know, that one that I forgot watch, you know, and things. So I'm looking forward to subscribers movie nights. They're gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to those. They're gonna be fun. So again, big up all who subscribe. The Lunatic, Colin Click, you're right. You're right. We have to watch a Lunatic. Colin, you know what you mentioned Stollis. I know the name, but me I try, I know the name, man. That was somebody well known in a TamFam, man. Stollis, but me just need to remember what was the thing associated with her. Kimberly, these are movies for subscribers movie night. One of the thing, people who subscribe over Big Yard, and think we're going to have Big Yard Zoom movie night, right? Big Yard Zoom movie night. And we're having the first one this Friday at 8 o'clock. And we're going to watch Smile Orange. So I'm looking forward to that. And at the same time, I just want to say respect to the people who subscribe to Big Yard, who subscribe to Ragashanti something, right? And support the thing, because a phone subscription and thing make me turn up your night time and take this thing as seriously and thing. Big and serious, okay? Big and serious, right? So my son come up here with me this week or whatever. I'm going to tell him, say, no, we come in here and do a show, because I said, just like them have kids, them go work. So I said, me have kids, me have to go work. I'm telling him, I have subscribers. And him say, yeah, okay. And him out there wait for me right now. I'm about to leave and things. See? So again, big up all who subscribe. You can join Big Yard for free, but you can also subscribe if you want to subscribe, all right? Where Kimberly said, I was going to recommend 50 Shades of Grey, but I see it rated PG-13. No, we can't watch 50 Shades of Grey. No, we met about with my son, him outside, me just I say, me have to still do the show. Right? Zion is here, but him outside, when I'm doing the show, him stay outside. Him have everything, him food and him games and thing, I make sure. Him line up. So I think Kimberly and me think say Zion No, my kids are not involved in my show. Them not even supposed to hear me when me I do the show. Yeah, I make them listen to me. Okay? Right? So we can't watch 50 Shades of Grey. Subscribers. Right? We have to make it 1-4-1 some people like Joan Locke, I don't know if Joan can manage 50 Shades. Joan probably a laugh right there. Why Joan, me like your picture of them, where you post up over Big Yard, them nice, you see? You just look classy and thing, with a tinge of sexy there, Joan, what you're doing, you're very thoughtful with your thing, because, you're fully clothed, everything and whatever and thing, but you have a little quiet confidence there, man, with your hat bag them and all these things and whatever, and you're just this tinge, just subtlest nuance, sexiness in your picture them and thing, Big up yourself, Joan Locke, you picture them where you post over Big Yard. Crash out, Wagwan. Wagwan, crash out. What's up? Big up yourself. Sinalicious, big up. People me out for Lego, make me take a couple more of them and then should be, All right. In the arms of sweet deliverance, I'm gonna lay my heavy burden down. Hello? Hello? Tanisha, what kind of cough? We are coughing on my face for Tanisha. Shoot, you're just coughing on my face. Apologize. We are
Sorry, Raga.
But you're coughing on my face.
To come up.
No, but you're just coughing on my face and I cough up in my face, so. You all right?
How the hell me come down?
Oh, you
yes,
come?
I'm all right.
All right, me I'll take it down now, yeah?
All right.
Nanisha bought some big coughing there, man. Jesus. Watch your ride. Spiritually best. One night, if you have a call in and sing one old time gospel song, me love them something there. No, I'm going to make video and post them over Big Yard. You're lucky. I'm going to go on with all kind of things. One day I'm going to put all a dance video. Just play on a favorite tune. Barry Sanchez, Freddie, me no know, and dance to the song. And video on yourself and post it. Hey, let me tell you something. Fun is simple, you know. Fun is simple. Fun not for complicated, it not for expensive, it don't have to be elaborate and whatever. Fun is actually simple. It's really simple, right? And we're going to have a lot of fun over Big Yard. I guarantee you that. I promise you that, all right? But me have to go leg on you now, you know, people. Big up on yourself. Everything is everything. I send respect to the people I'm over YouTube and things, seeing large up on yourself and big up your TikTok family and thing. Remember, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now and thing. And do remember the show is here Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m., 6:30 till now it's 9:48 and things. Sometimes we even go later. Sinalicious, big up your strong body self, you know. All right, TamFam get together, people. Big up on yourself in Orlando next month. Things seal up, though. Big up all of the people who are going to Ghana with me in a matter like 3 weeks. We'll be in Ghana and things. So, people, we're going to Ghana. So, when me in Ghana, the show can't keep here. So, I just want to know from now. Every year I take a trip to Ghana. That trip is coming up in about 3 weeks, okay? All right, looking forward to that. Bless upon yourself, people. Everything is everything. Sooner tomorrow. So this show is here, you know, 6:30 till 9:30, 10 every night. On Mondays to Thursdays. I see a couple of you know, contacting me on Saturday, on Fridays, and be like, what's up? Friday is generally, most Fridays are for the subscribers. Okay, so you know, if you're not a subscriber, you probably won't be able to, you know, you're not going to be able to access whatever we're doing on a Friday, okay? And again, big respect to all my subscribers, and I'm inviting you to subscribe if you're not, you know, if you haven't subscribed yet, to subscribe to my thing, right? And it's tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com. Just go over there. No, yeah, man, we can go live over there. That is not a problem. I've gone live over there, over Big Yard. You think? In fact, sometime we're going to do some special live outside of this time, like in the DR or something, I think over Big Yard, you know? All right. Okay, people, blessings and respects. So tomorrow, y'all take care now. Be good, be good. Make we play this song one more time, because we want the people to stop tell lie on Jamaican men.
Every American woman that has been with Jamaican men claim those men have eaten below the waist.
Liars.
Yet every Jamaican man claims they have never eaten below the waist.
Never.
Somebody's lying. This is my true story. I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise. She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the booze cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubt in my mind she wanted the stabbing, but she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese, but I'm not no rat. And I love kitty, but not like that. So I said, lady, let me tell you this fact. I'm a Jamaican man and we don't do that. She said, that's the biggest lie told in her face. All Jamaican men she met ate below the waist. Somebody's lying, I don't know who. Tell me Jamaican men, could it be you? Somebody's lying, I don't know who. American women, it must be you. Met a New York shorty down in Miami Beach. Said she love yard vibes and the way we speak. She used to date a reggae artist from Spanish Town. He always went below, he never turned her down. And if you're wondering who could it be, he had a big hit song in 2023. He even clashed so-and-so over so-and-so. Straight bad boy artist, but regular him bow. She said every Jamaican she ever embraced start up top and head south of the waist. Somebody's lying.
the Jamaican man and the American woman them a tell lie on the Jamaican man. Jamaican man don't eat, we don't cheat, and we don't eat, and we don't tell lies.
Down in the ATL, face pretty like money and the body build well. She wants to take me home so I could lick her down. I almost get a big stone and lick her down. I said, Jamaican men don't play those games. She said, oh boy, you got to stop playing. She said she once stayed in Ocho Rios, where a Jamaican man eat time for Ocho Dias. Then he cried like a baby when she said adios. He's gonna miss and eating the kitty cause it's so delicious. I said it must have been an Haitian, cause it's not one of us. Somebody lying, I don't know who. Tell me, Jamaican man, could it be you?
Somebody's lying. Somebody a tell lie.
I don't know who. American women.
And the American woman them a tell lie, not the Jamaican man. Jamaican men don't cheat, Jamaican men don't lie, and Jamaican men don't eat, okay? All right, then. Argument done. We ain't no more long argument. And thing like that. It is what it is. Leave it alone. Just work with it. It has been ordained and sustained. Okay. Brap, brap. Do remember, if you're not follow me yet over TikTok, make sure you follow me. And if you're over YouTube and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, do that right now. Y'all take care, people. See you tomorrow. Take care of you and yours. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:30, right? Yes, so for the juggling, see him here. Ragashanti live. Mr. Washbelly, I do him thing, as usual, don't it? And make sure, if you're not subscribed over Big Yard yet, go do it. It's free. Go to tamfamyard.com, 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 and just subscribe. You just put an email address, a username, and you're good. That's it. All right. All right. You're welcome, Bernadine. Y'all take care. Joan Lockett, big up yourself, man. Blessings and respect, man. Cool, man. See? Yeah, we have to watch Dancehall Queen to Joan, indeed. And that time, we have to go watch the show. That was a good one. That thing. Okay. All right, people. In tomorrow, and blessings and cool. Oops. Yeah, better plug this thing out without ending this. That's not a good idea.